intelligence inside Microsoft Excel has uploaded and in fact read the entire picture as well. Okay, it has read the entire picture. And the best part about it is that it can read low quality images, handwritten images, or anything like that as well. Okay, it can read low quality images, handwritten images. And for that, what does Microsoft Excel tell you? Microsoft Excel tells you that, I have read all the data, but I would want you to review a few options which I'm not sure about. So what do you need to do over here? You simply need to click on review. Once you click on review, can you see this? So there is order ID and the AI inside Microsoft Excel is not sure whether the order ID is written correctly, but it has read it absolutely correct. Okay. So if there is any changes, you can do the changes or you can simply accept it. So I'll accept it. This is also absolutely correct. So I'll accept this. I'll accept this. Accept, accept, accept. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Over here, there was a R missing over here itself. But if you want to correct it, you can simply add a R over here. Accept, accept. Geomart also over here, there will be a small O instead of capital O. Then accept. Again, add a R, accept, and it is done. Now, once you are done with this, now guys comes the magic. You simply click on insert data over here, then click on insert data once again over here, and boom, guys, boom on the chat box. Okay, because you have been able to get all your data from that picture into Microsoft Excel in a matter of seconds. Okay, in a matter of seconds, the task which you guys told that you will take 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours to do, we have been able to do it in a matter of seconds using this AI feature inside Microsoft Excel. And this is completely editable, guys. If you want to, make some changes or something, you can absolutely do that. Sounds awesome? Please show one more time. What I'll do, I'll not show it in the offline version. I'll show it in the online version of Microsoft Excel. Okay. So over here in the offline version, you went to insert and then from picture. Now let's do it in the online version of Microsoft Excel. Okay. So let's do that. What I'll do, I'll firstly go to office.com. Okay. I'll simply go to office.com. Okay. Once I go over here, I have created a free account for myself. Okay. Inside office.com, I have created a free account for myself and I'll share you exactly how you can do that as well. I'll share it with you along with the notes of the session. Okay. Sir, I didn't see any option from insert in because you are not using Office 365. This option you will see only in the Office 365 version of Microsoft Excel, not in any other version. Okay. Now coming back to the online version or the free version of Microsoft Office 365. Now over here, what you will do, you will simply go to Microsoft Excel. Okay. Once you go to Microsoft Excel, now over here, what will happen? You will open the online version of Office 365 Excel. Okay. Over here, right? As you can see over here. So I went to office.com, then I opened this. Now over here, instead of going on insert, you go on the data tab. Okay. Simply go on the data tab. Now, once you go to the data tab, guys, can you see this data from picture button over here? Yes. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. Now, simply click on this data from picture. Once you click over here, again, choose the image file that you want to upload. I choose that image file. And again, the same magic starts happening on the right hand side of my screen. Microsoft Office 365's online version is asking me to review a few cells which it has read. So I'll click on review, order ID, absolutely correct. So I'll accept it. I'll accept this. Megamart also I'll accept. Geomart also, this is correct. This is also correct. 2.2 over here, there is an extra point. Okay, so I need to remove this. I'll remove this. This is also correct. This is also correct. I can add this extra R over here. This is correct. I'll add the extra R and done. Now, once I do all of this, what do I simply do? I simply click on insert data and again click on insert data and boom, guys, boom, because now we have been able to get our data from Microsoft Excel's online version as well. And what you can do, you can simply copy this. Let's say if you do not have the paid version of Microsoft Office 365, which is the offline version, this is the paid version, right? Let's say if you do not have it, what you can simply do, you can use the online version, copy this, and then simply paste it over here. Okay, paste it over here and your work would be done. Boom, Boom on the chat box, guys. If you found this to be super, super interesting, which will reduce hours of your work into just a matter of seconds or let's say minutes. Yes, excellent. Boom. Awesome. Chalo, बढ़िया. Done. So guys, with this, we have been able to, okay, we have been able to reduce any sort of, okay, from today onwards, if you have any sort of data entry work, even handwritten notes, let's say you have, and you want to enter it into Microsoft Excel, you can use this OCR feature. Low quality image you have, you can use that. Any sort of, image you have, you can use that. And this will help you reduce your time in doing any sort of data entry work. What do you think? How much time this particular trick itself, the OCR feature of Microsoft Excel, how much time this has saved you every single week so far? What do you think about it? 2 hours, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours every week, thousands of hours. Okay, I'm asking per week, guys, only per week. Okay, 30 to 35 minutes, 2 hours, 2 hours, 40 minutes, 35 minutes, 3 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours. Okay, guys. Perfect. What about scanned pages? It will also work perfectly fine. As I mentioned, low quality images or anything like that, all of this will work absolutely fine when you are doing this. Okay, guys. Done. Okay. Now, any sort of future data entry work, you will be able to do it in a matter of seconds. Okay. Moving forward. Okay. Let's say you get one more email from your boss. Okay. Let's say you get one more email from your boss. Can I apply this to Google Sheet? No, it will only work in Office 365, either the online version or the offline version of Office 365. All right. Chalo. Next task that you get from your boss. Your boss tells you, your boss sends you one more email. The boss is not done yet. The boss sends you an Excel file. Okay. And in the Excel file, the boss tells you, hi, can you put the numerical rating to all 1000 people and send it back? I need it to present to the management in the next 5 minutes. Okay. Let's say you have this sort of a work in front of you. Okay. Let me open the Excel file and let's see how we, what is the file, what is the task we have to do. Okay, guys. So this is the Excel file that we have in hand. Okay. Over here, there is a rate table. So if an employee scores an excellent rate, they'll get a score of 99. A very good rate, they'll get a score of 92. Like this, there is a proper rate table over here. And on the right hand side, you have a list of around 212 employees. In the against the 212 employees, you can see there is a rating which is attached to each and every employee over here. Okay. Each and every employee has a rating attached over here. Like, Anand Nawab has fair rating. Ane Jack has very good rating. Badami Isha has good rating. So your task is to put in the numerical score. Okay. The numerical score against all the ratings of the 212 employees. What do you think, guys? How will you do this? What do you think? How will you do this? VLOOKUP, X lookup, match index, VLOOKUP, if condition. Okay. Filter. No, okay, guys. I see a lot of responses out there in the chat box. Okay. The most common one being VLOOKUP. But guys, I am someone who faces this real problem of remembering Excel formulas very well. Okay. I can't remember Excel formulas very well. Do you think, it'll help if with the help of AI, if there is a personal assistant whom we ask, I want to do this. How do I do this? And then the personal assistant gives us with the formula that we can use to get the task done. Do you think that would be awesome? Do you think that would be awesome if we have a personal assistant whom we can use in order to get this sort of a work done? Yes? Yes. Okay. So let's see. Let's see if we can have a personal assistant who could help us. Okay. Who could help us in getting this sort of a work done. So what I'll do. So there are a couple of personal assistants that I'll be telling you about. Firstly, you can use Microsoft's own Copilot. Okay. You can use Microsoft's Copilot in order to ask any question from, if you ask any question from this Copilot, it will, give you results. Or you can use Gemini as well, or you can use ChatGPT for the same as well. Okay. Yes, guys, even ChatGPT, even the free version of ChatGPT. So I have this paid version, like which is GPT-4, GPT-4o, which costs $20 a month, but I'm not talking about that. Even if you use the free version of GPT 3.5, it can help you in getting, okay, it can help you in getting formulas directly from AI. How does it work? Let's see. So guys, to GPT, you have to enter a prompt. Okay. So I have created a prompt. Okay. I have created a prompt. Let me show it to you guys. Okay. So this is the prompt. I tell GPT that, hey GPT, you are an Excel expert. Imagine that you are an Excel expert. I have ratings from column E2 to E213. That is correct, guys. I have ratings between column E2 to E213 and a rate table in column A2 to B8. A2 to B8 also, that is also correct. I have a rate table over here in column A, between column A2 to B8. Now, my task is help me get the exact numerical score by matching rating from column E and column A and numerical score in column B. Give me a formula for the same. Give me a formula for the same. Let's ask GPT about it and let's see. Let's see if we get any sort of a formula from GPT. So guys, GPT has given us a VLOOKUP formula, but as I mentioned, if I am someone who faces problems in remembering formula, I don't know whether it will work. Let me just copy it. Okay, let me just copy it and simply paste it over here. Guys, tell me whether this particular score is absolutely correct, yes or no. Anand Nawab, fair rating. For fair rating, the score should have been 71 and we got it. So for to all the Excel experts out there, you all will be able to confirm better whether this formula is right or wrong. Absolutely correct. Yes, yes, Aditya. Absolutely correct. Correct, 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 correct. Perfect, guys. Okay, so that is how powerful this particular formula is. And if you want to do it for all 212 employees, what do you need to do? Go to this particular cell and go to the bottom right of the cell. Okay, go to the bottom right of the cell and just once once your mouse cursor becomes like a black, black filled box, now just double click over here. Once you double click over here, guys, boom, because we have been able to generate a formula without having to remember the formula. Okay, we just asked our personal assistant over here. We gave personal assistant a prompt. Okay, we gave personal assistant a prompt that you are an Excel expert. I have this. Please give me a formula for the same. And it was able to do it. And we simply copy pasted and our work was done. Now, Bijoy has this very interesting question that, what about lousy? Guys, you can see over here, there is no lousy option. Okay, there is no lousy option. Okay, that is why it gave a NA, which is not identified. It was not able to identify that there is any lousy option, and that is absolutely correct. That is why you can see that for any lousy option, it shows a NA, as simple as that. How many of you feel that this is a very, very, a good way of, very easy way of writing formulas? How many of you feel that? This prompt writing, guys, like you just need to enter your stuff in proper pure English, nothing complicated. Okay, just enter it in pure English. Even a college student will be able to, school student, college student will be able to do that. Just enter your whatever you need and your work will be done. Okay, it feels easy. It's very good. Super. Okay. Via this, you will be able to reduce hours of your time. Guys, do you want to generate formula for one more example? Do you want to do it together? Do you want to, generate formula for one more example? Do you want me to show it? Yes? Okay. Chalo, dekhte hain. Okay. So I go to the second sheet, custom format. Over here, I have this, okay, I have this particular data set which has 68 entries. Okay, 68 entries, and I have Aadhaar number of all these are random Aadhaar numbers, guys. Random Aadhaar numbers of all these 68 people. Now, my boss tells me, okay, my boss tells me that I have to put spaces. So how does an Aadhaar number look? There are 4 digits, then there is a space, then there are 4 digits, then there is a space, then there are 4 digits, correct? Like, if I have to tell you what we need to do, so what I need to do, I need to enter a space over here. Then I need to enter a space over here. Then for this, I need to copy this. I'll paste it. Then again, I enter a space. Then I again enter a space over there. And this is the task my boss wants me to do. Imagine that there are 2000 such entries. And if you want to do a work like this, and if you do not know by chance, you do not know, how many of you know the formula for this, how to, write a formula for something like this? No, I don't know. Tech split, don't know. I know. No, no, don't know, don't know, don't know. Okay, I see maximum of you don't know about it. I see a couple of you know about it as well. Superb, guys. Irrespective, irrespective whether you know, whether you don't know, from today onwards, you do not need to remember it or you don't need to know it as well. What you can do, let's try to do this example also with the help of GPT. What I'll tell GPT, I'll go to GPT and tell ChatGPT that you are an Excel expert. Okay. Firstly, I tell it that. Then I tell ChatGPT, I have 12-digit Aadhaar numbers written in column B of my Excel, but these numbers do not have spaces in between them. Okay. So I tell ChatGPT about it. Then I tell ChatGPT, I want to show these as proper Aadhaar numbers in column C, which will be like it has 4 digits, then a space, then 4 digits, then space, then 4 digits. Okay. So guys, some random broken English I've used. You are an Excel expert. I have 12-digit Aadhaar numbers written in column B of my Excel, but these numbers do not have spaces in between them. I want to show these as proper Aadhaar numbers in column C, which will be like it has 4 digits, then a space, then 4 digits, then a space, then 4 digits. Okay. Give me a formula for the same. Okay, so I wrote this prompt in front of you guys. Now, guys, intentionally, I made a few spelling errors. You can see over here, I made this spelling error. Also, this particular statement, which I framed, is not proper English. This is like, tuta futa English, like broken English, I have used in order to write this. Why I deliberately wrote something like this? Because I wanted to show you the results. Okay, let me enter something like this. And now, guys, let's see. Let's see what is it that we get. Okay, we get a formula over here, which we can copy. Okay, if I copy this and okay, let me remove this. I will paste it over here and boom, guys, I used simply this particular formula which I got from ChatGPT. I copy pasted it over here and my Aadhaar number now looks like this. Okay, my Aadhaar number looks like this, exactly how I wanted it to be. How many of you are absolutely mind blown, by the kind of formula which ChatGPT has been able to give us? MB, super MB. And if we want to do it for all the cells, what do? Simply go to the bottom right and double click over here. Okay. Double click over here and my work is done. I have been able to convert all of these numbers into proper looking Aadhaar numbers in a very, very simple manner. That is how awesome this is. That is how awesome this is. Okay. And the best part, guys, you don't need to, even like I made spelling mistakes over here. I did not use proper English over here. And still I was able to get a proper formula for it. Okay. Without even knowing this formula. I don't know what this formula is. I was able to get it. Probably there are more formulas, more text-based formulas, simple formulas for this. But this formula also worked for me and my work is done. As simple as that. Super. Amazing. Super. Chalo, done. Okay, guys. So with the help of this, we were able to generate, any sort of formula. From now onwards, you will be able to generate any sort of Microsoft Excel formula with the help of AI. How awesome this is. How awesome this is. From today onwards, you do not need to remember any formula and you can generate any sort of complicated formula. Koi bhi Microsoft Excel's, any complicated formula, you do not need to remember it. You will be able to generate it with the help of AI. That is how powerful this is. What do you think, guys? How much time this has saved you? Okay, generating formulas and not having to remember them. What do you think? How much time this has saved you every single week? 4 to 5 hours, 3 hours, 4 to 5 hours, 3 to 4 hours, a lot of time, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour per day is okay, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, a lot of time, my lifetime. Okay, sometime I did 2 to 3 hours. Superb, guys, superb. Okay, I see, a maximum of you mentioned 1 hour in the previous one, like the data entry thing, and 2 to 3 hours over here. So I think I have delivered my promise already that I'll save you 3 hours of your time every single week. Do you think I have saved you 3 hours of your time every single week so far with the 2 methods that we have learned so far? Yes. If that's the case, I've already delivered my promise, guys. I've already delivered my promise of saving you 3 hours every single week. But, that's not it. Whatever I teach you now onwards, is gonna be even something more and more interesting and will save you more and more amount of time, and that is completely bonus content for you all. Okay, that is completely bonus content for you all. Chalo, let's learn that as well. Okay, now, how many of you have been in situations where you are in, let's say, in a stand-up call with your boss, you are in meetings with your boss, and your boss asks you a question. Okay, your boss asks you a question, and you do not have an immediate answer to it. Every time, every single morning, every day, you go on meetings, boss asks you a certain question, and you cannot answer it right away. You always have to be like, boss, I'll check back on this and get back to you by tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, something like this. So every time you need to ask for more time and then get back to you. How many of you have been in situations like this? Happened many times. Yes, that's me every day. I've gone through this. Me. Yes, me. So many times. Okay, guys. So if you have been in situations like this, okay, it does not look good. Okay, it does not look good to tell boss that I'll get back to you every single time. It does not create a good impression. If you want that exponential growth in your career, you should be different from your peers. Okay, you should be different from the crowd. If your peers, if your office peers are asking for a day's time, you should be in a position that you should be able to answer the boss's question immediately and create an absolute wow impression in front of your boss. You will be able to impress your bosses by answering all their questions instantly and do data analysis also with the help of AI. Okay, that is possible once you start integrating AI inside Microsoft Excel. How does it work? Okay, let's see if we can see with the help of a demo. So let's say your boss is back with some more work. Okay, your boss is back with some more work. Now the boss tells you that please find attach the Excel file, analyze the data, create a report out of it, and make a presentation out of your findings as well. Now the boss is not just giving you to make a formula or something like that. Boss has sent you an Excel file. Okay, boss is asking you to analyze that data. Boss has asked you to create a report out of it. And in fact, the boss has also asked you to make a presentation out of the findings that you have gotten from that data. We have a meeting with the CEO. It's urgent. Now, guys, let me firstly show you the Excel file. Okay, let's see what is the Excel file that we'll be working on with. Okay, let me simply show you that. So guys, this is the Excel file that we have in hand. Okay, this is the Excel file, which has what? Around 35 parameters or so, 35 parameters. It has 35 columns, and it has the full name, the age group, the hourly rate, the salary slab, the monthly rate, and all of these details of a set of employees in this company of around 249 employees of a company. You have 30 different parameters that you need to analyze. What do you think, guys? How much time will you need in order to analyze? Okay, what do you think? How much time will you need to analyze this entire data set? Okay, basically, in order to analyze something like this, you will need to create 20 to 30 different pivot charts, tables, timelines, slicers, formulas. You'll need to do all of this. What do you think? Will it easily take you 4 to 5 hours of your time in order to, create charts, reports like this? 5 days. Okay. 2 days, 1 hour, 4 to 5 hours easily, 2 days, 5 hours, probably more, 5 hours, 4 hours, even more than that. A life, a day, minimum 3 hours. Okay, I see a lot of responses. Resign job. No, you don't need to do that. Okay, so if you have to analyze an Excel like this, okay, which has 30 different variables and for 249 employees, you need to analyze it all. And in fact, analyze it, create a report out of it, and in fact make a presentation out of it. You need to do all of this for the meeting with the CEO. Now, even though you would be like, what, this is not possible, you need to do it because you have the meeting with the CEO. Now, guys, if you think that it will take you 4 hours, 5 hours, 1 day, 3 days, you will need to resign from your job for that, guys, that is not the case. Okay, that is the case until you used AI. Okay, now since we have started using AI, okay, since we have started using AI, would it be amazing? Okay, guys, would it be amazing if we can do this exact amount of work, if we can analyze this entire file in a matter of less than a minute? Will you all be completely mind blown if we can analyze this in less than 1 minute? Type in the biggest MB in the chat box if you all will be completely mind blown if I teach you that. Unbelievable. MB. Yes. MB. Come on, guys. I want the maximum amount of energy right now in the chat box if you all want me to teach that. MB? Crazy? Super. Chalo. Done. Okay, so guys, what do you think? What's your favorite LLM? Okay, LLM is a large language model like ChatGPT is a LLM, Copilot is a LLM, Google Gemini is a LLM. What's your favorite LLM? ChatGPT, GPT 4.0, okay. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, don't know, Google Gemini, Copilot, GPT. Okay, I see a lot of different responses. Gemini and GPT have absolutely dominated the answers with a few perplexity and other options as well. But that is super, guys. If that's your favorite LLM, right? But I have this LLM. Okay, what if there is an LLM, a secret LLM that is trained on more data than ChatGPT? If it is trained on more data than ChatGPT, it will be able to give more better results than ChatGPT. That is very, very obvious, right? So there is an LLM that is trained on more data than even ChatGPT. It gives you real-time information. It allows you to upload your files for free. It can be used for absolutely free. And guys, most of us think that Google is only working on this Gemini, like Microsoft has invested in Copilot, right? So like most of us think that Google is only working in this Gemini LLM. That is not the case. Google is an investor in this particular LLM. So it is absolutely 100% secure to upload your files to basically work on this particular LLM, like very, very secure LLM. Guys, there is an LLM like this. Okay. What is the LLM that I'm talking about? It is called as Claude.ai. Okay. It is called as Claude.ai. How does Claude work? Let's try to see it with the help of a demo. Okay, let's try to see it with the help of a demo. So what I'll do, I'll simply go to Claude.ai. Okay, once I go to Claude.ai, I will have a window like this. Again, Claude is a freemium software to use. It is completely free of cost to use for a first few credits. You will get, just like GPT 3.5. But if you want the advanced version of Claude, you can go ahead and take the paid version as well. Okay, it again costs $20 a month or something like that. You can take it, but if you do not want that, you can use the free version as well. Okay, now once you go to Claude, there is this button called add content. Please share the link. Don't worry about it. I'll share all the links, all the notes of the session as notes of the session after the session, whoever is having, like as I mentioned towards the beginning of the session. Okay, chalo. So I'll click on add content over here. Okay, once I click on add content over here, okay, I will need to choose the file that I want to analyze. Okay, I want to analyze this file. So I'll choose this and then I'll tell Claude, please help me analyze this file and give me key insights from it. Okay, please help me analyze this file and give me key insights from it. Okay, now I enter this and let's see. Let's wait for a couple of minutes, guys, to see what is exactly happening. Guys, Claude has started analyzing this Excel file. Certainly, I'll analyze the data and provide you with some key insights. This appears to be an HR analytics data set with various employee attributes. Here are some notable observations. Okay. Age distribution. The dataset covers employees aged between 18 to 28. There are two age groups between 18 to 25 and 26 to 35. Talking about the departments, genders, education, job satisfaction, it has been able to analyze. Okay, it has been able to analyze the entire, absolutely the entire data set. Okay, if you want Claude to go a deep down further, you can tell Claude, okay, I was looking for more numerical insights. Okay, you can ask something like this, and then what Claude will do, it will basically revise this entire analysis and make it more numerical. Like, what is the average age? Approximately 23.5 years. About 30% of employees have yes of attrition. Then, marital status single 60%, etc., etc. Now it is giving you more of numerical insights about this particular data set. How many of you are absolutely mind blown looking at these insights from Claude? And you all mentioned 5 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days you will need in order to do this sort of an analysis. Claude has been able to do this analysis in under 1 minute. Absolutely in under 1 minute. Okay, I see a couple of questions. What about the security policy of my company, NDA part of my data? Guys, let me tell you something. Claude is absolutely, safe to use. Google is an investor in this particular platform. So the data privacy policy of Claude is very, very strong. In fact, once you use Claude, you can simply delete your conversation, simply delete the data set as well, and it will be deleted from its servers. So you can actually go ahead and use Claude for that, and then you can delete it once you get the analysis. So that is also possible with Claude. Okay. Chalo, done. Does Claude also analyze financial statements? Absolutely, it will be able to analyze that as well. Now, guys, once you have been able to do something like this is not your work completed, right? What did the boss ask us? The boss asked us to create to firstly, like he sent the data set. Then first step was to analyze the data set. So first step, we have been able to analyze this entire data set. Now the boss also asked to create a report out of it. Correct? Like, let's say if you have to send an email like this, containing all the key insights, if you have to create a report out of it and send it as an email to the boss, what you can tell Claude that help me convert all of this information into an email which I have to send to my boss. Okay, help me convert all of this information into an email which I have to send to my boss. Okay, my bosses, you can in fact add more information, like my boss's name is, let's say, Mukesh Kumar. Okay, my name is Aditya Goenka. Okay, you can add information like this, then simply hit a enter, wait for a couple of seconds, guys, because be completely ready to have your mind blown. Okay, you can see over here, Claude has given us an absolute exact email. Okay, subject, key insights from the HR analytics dataset. Dear Mr. Mukesh Kumar, I hope this email finds you well. I have completed the analysis of our recent HR analytics dataset and would like to share some key numerical insights with you. Employee demographics, age range, workforce composition, etc., etc. 5 points covering the entire analysis. It has been able to write the 5 points. Then it is telling my manager, these insights provide a comprehensive overview of our workforce, highlighting areas of strength and potential improvement. I'd be happy to discuss further these findings in more detail and explore more strategies to enhance our HR practices. Please let me know if you need any additional information or analysis. Best regards, Aditya Goenka. How many of you are absolutely mind blown looking at this sort of an email? It has been able to make a very, very concise email to Mr. Mukesh Kumar by Mr. Aditya Goenka, containing all of the key information which the boss is looking for. Absolutely mind blown looking at this. Absolutely impressed. Fantastic. Magical. Absolutely magical. Crazy. Superb, guys. Superb. Okay. So this is how we were able to, use Claude in order to, get all our to analyze all of our information. In fact, create an email out of it as well. And in fact, you will be able to respond to your boss within 5 minutes. But the boss had not just asked this. He firstly asked to analyze it. Then, the boss asked to make a report out of it. Also, the boss asked us, to create a mind-blowing presentation, because the boss wants to present it to the CEO. So, guys, do you also want to create a mind-blowing presentation without putting any significant effort, that too in less than 5 minutes, all with the help of AI? As the boss had requested us, guys, this is something beyond the scope of this particular workshop. But if you guys want it, I'll show this method to you all as well, on how you can create a beautiful looking presentation for the boss, for the work that he has given us. Big yes, I would love to. Yes, please show. Okay, chalo, done. I'll show you that as well. So what do you need to do? Again, go to Claude. Okay, first step, again go to Claude. Tell Claude, I want to use these insights. I want to use these insights for creating a 10-page presentation as well. Reduce all of this information and only give me precise points which I have to use for my presentation. which I can use. Instead of I have to use, you can write I can use for my presentation. Okay, so I'm telling Claude, I want to use these insights for creating a 10-page presentation as well. Reduce all of this information and only give me absolutely precise points which I can use for my presentation. So let me enter this. Let me enter this and let's see what is the response that we get from from Claude. So Claude has been able to basically reduce all of this data and give me very just key essential points which I can use for my presentation. So now what I'll do, once I have this data, what are the things that I have to use? What I'll do, I will open a new AI tool, which is called as gamma.app. Okay. I will just simply open gamma.app. Once I go to gamma.app, I'll click on this create new. Okay. Create new. I'll open this again. This is also a platform. Gamma is also completely free to use. You can use it for, it's a freemium model. You can use it for completely free. Beyond a certain limit, it asks you to pay. If you do not want to pay, you can create a new account for yourself. All of this is completely possible. Okay. Now inside Gamma, let's say this is not for your company. Let's say if you want to create a completely new presentation on, let's say, India's GDP, on a common topic, on India's GDP, on India's cricket team, on anything like that, you can click on generate, do it, and it will create the entire presentation for you from scratch. But in this particular case, since you need to create a presentation for your boss on this HR analytics dataset, what you will do, you will click on paste in text. Okay, click on paste in text, and from this information, okay, from what we got from Claude, simply copy this. Copy the information that we got from Claude, paste it over here. Paste it over here. Tell it that you want to create a presentation. Then click on continue. Okay. You have told it that you want a presentation. Click on continue. Now over here, you can again click, let's say if you want a 10-page presentation, you can make 10 cards. If you want to make it 7-page, you can make 7-page. I want to create 10-page, I'll do 10-page. Then I'll click on continue. Okay. Now I can choose a theme as well. Okay, I can choose a theme as well. Let's say if I like this particular theme, let me choose this theme, and then I'll click on generate. Okay, I'll click on generate, and now some magic starts happening again, on the background. Some magic starts happening. Okay, so Claude has started utilizing all the information. Okay, all the information which I had pasted in the Claude's text box, and it has started to create a presentation out of it. And in a few minutes, guys, in a few seconds, in fact, okay, it has already created 9 slides. Now it has created the 10 slides. Okay, now it is just uploading images, like it is creating AI generated images as well. As you can see over here, let's see, whether we get the images. Yes, we have gotten images. As you can see, it is being uploaded in all the slides. And guys, type in boom in the chat box if you are completely amazed. Okay, employee demographics and performance analysis by Aditya Goenka. Employee demographics, age demographics, gender demographics, marital status, department distribution, R&D work, sales work, sales and HR. Okay, job levels and education. This is what it is. Performance metrics. Okay, compensation structure, work benefits and overtime, employee tenure, travel requirement, and most common employee profile. What do you think? Will your boss be completely mind blown if you can actually, your boss sent you that Excel file, you were able to create a report out of, analyze it, you were able to create a report out of it, an entire email out of it. In fact, you were able to send a presentation for it, and you were able to do all of this work in under 5 minutes. In under 5 minutes, you were able to do it. Yes. Okay. So there's a very interesting question whether this is downloadable. You can absolutely download it. Just click on these 3 dots, and then you can click on export, and then click on export to PowerPoint. Okay. Just simply click on export to PowerPoint if you want a PowerPoint file. If you want a PDF file, you can click on export to PDF, and you will be able to export it as a PowerPoint file as well. As you can see over here, PowerPoint file exported. So we have been able to attach the PowerPoint file as well to our boss. So you were able to do all of this work in just under 5 minutes, but don't send it, guys, in 5 minutes, because then, your boss will understand you have done something, something, or he'll give you more work, or, he or she will give you more work, or something, basically will happen. You can basically take 3 hours, 4 hours of your time, chill for yourself, have that time freedom for yourself, and then just send it after 3 to 4 hours. You can just, simply do something like that, as simple as that. Okay. Mind blowing. Yeah. Is it free to use? Yes. Gamma is also completely free to use. It is a freemium model. As I mentioned, for certain free, initial ones, it is free. Then you need to pay. If you do not want to pay, just create a new account. So, you free to do that. Okay. Finish your work early and enjoy. Yes, you can do that. Or you can, if you are really looking for that promotion from your boss, send this work in maybe, let's say 30, 45 minutes, and your boss will be super impressed and super amazed by you. Okay. Your boss will be super impressed by you. In fact, all of these images also have been generated with the help of AI. Boss will be super impressed. They'll give you more work. Again, you complete more work. You will be able to do the work of much, of 10 people in your organization. And that is how, you will be able to get that big salary hike, get that big, growth in your career if you are able to pull off something like this for your boss. Agree with me that, if you are able to do this sort of quality work for your boss in such low time, they will be super impressed by it. Yes, agree. Absolutely agree. This was mind-blowing stuff, Aditya. Yes, Chal, done. Okay. So we have been able to create a presentation as well. So all the entire work which the boss told us to do, we were able to do it in just 5 minutes. Okay. In just 5 minutes, we were able to do all of this work. In fact, create a presentation out of it as well. But let's say you have to do, how many of you are here who find data cleaning and creating Excel dashboards too time taking? I wished I knew this before. That would always be the case. Don't worry about it. Is a lot more to go. Okay, we are not even done yet. There is more and more I want to share with you all. Okay, how many of you feel that data cleaning and creating Excel dashboards is too time taking, and you find it to be a very boring job? Like personally, when I used to work at Capital One, guys, data cleaning was one of the most difficult jobs, right? One of the most tedious, boring jobs, time taking and boring as well. Correct? Agree with me? How many of you all agree with me? Very difficult, time taking, time consuming, extremely time consuming, boring. Yes, agree with you. Agree with you. Guys, what if I tell you that there is a secret tool? Again, secret artificial intelligence tool, AI tool that can help you use AI in order to clean your data. You can use AI to create charts and create dashboards out of your data. You can use AI to build stunning looking dashboards for absolutely free. How many of you want a tool like this? How many of you want a tool like this? Me. Okay, perfect. So guys, if you want a tool like this, the name of this particular tool is Data Squirrel. Okay, it is Data Squirrel. Data Squirrel is a tool which will help you clean your data and create charts and create stunning looking dashboards out of your data as well. How does it work? Let's try to understand it again with the help of a demo. So I'll go to datasquirrel.ai. Okay, let me go to datasquirrel.ai. Once I go over here, you will find this login button. Okay, you will need to create an account for yourself. Again, a freemium model, free for a certain number of users, around 4 or 5 users, it is completely free. If you want to use more, you can pay for it, or you can create a new account for yourself. Okay, over here, since I've created an account for myself, I'll click on login. Once I click on login, I will have an option like this in front of me. Over here, I will get a button like this. Once I have created an account, I will get a button like new project. Okay, let me click on new project. Once I click on new project, I will get two options like this. Guys, anyone over here who works on Google Sheets in their office instead of Microsoft Excel, or, like you work on Google Sheets? Anyone like that? I do. Me. I use Excel. Me. I do. Excel. I do. So guys, if you're someone who uses Google Sheet, you can in fact upload your Google Sheet link. You can copy paste your Google Sheet link over here, and Data Squirrel will work on your Google Sheet as well. Exactly how I'll show it to you for Microsoft Excel. Okay. So if you have Google Sheet, you can use that also. If you have, some API data source, which is some data source which is connected to API, in fact, you can connect that also. But for this particular class, we'll be using Microsoft Excel file. So I'll simply click over here and let me add the file which I want to analyze. Okay, so I chose this particular file. Okay, I chose this particular file. Now, once I chose this particular file, some things are happening in the background. Okay, some things are happening in the background. Now let's go back to the file. Guys, if you see this particular file, this is an employee dataset file. correct? Employee data set, there is full name, there is age, there is, which department they are working, what is their hourly rate, what is their salary slab, what is their job satisfaction rate, what is their percentage salary and all. Like we have all of this information in this particular data set. How many of you agree that this is a confidential data set for any company? It's a confidential data. It's a secure data for any company. Agree with me on this? Yes, absolutely agree. Confidential data. Agree, 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 agree. I agree. Okay, guys, if you agree that this is confidential data set for your company, what, like, I also agree with you on this, like, on this particular thing that, for Emily Davis, this is the hourly rate, this is the salary, etc. All of this is confidential information. And, like it is not right, if that is uploaded directly to Data Squirrel. So guys, let me ask you something. What if instead of this, I hide this particular column? Okay. In column B, if I hide this column, this now could be hourly rate of any person in the company. This could be age group of anyone in the company. This could be monthly rate of anyone. This could be salary slab of anyone in the company. This could be basically data of any person in the company. Do you all agree with me that once I hide column number B, which is their full name, or let's say they had their email ID or phone number or anything like that, if we hide that information or change that information, anonymize that data, it does not remain a confidential data set anymore. Do you all agree with me on this? Yes or no? Absolutely agree, Aditya. Agree, agree, agree. I 100% agree. Agree, 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 agree. Okay. So guys, if you all agree with me, what if I tell you that there is this feature in Data Squirrel? Once you have uploaded your data, okay, once you have uploaded your data set, there is this button called click to review. Simply click on this button called click to review. Once you click over here, you will have some options like this. The most interesting one that I want you all to look into is this one. Data Squirrel is such an intelligent tool that it has automatically, okay, it has automatically identified that this particular data set, column number B, may contain sensitive data in your data set, like name, email ID, or payment details. Okay. And it has given a button via which it is giving us an option to completely anonymize or change this particular column in order to save, in order to maintain the privacy policy of this particular data. And I have option to disable it also. If I turn it on, my entire column B will be anonymized or changed in, and I'll have complete data privacy. How many of you are absolutely mind blown by this internal, by this already inbuilt feature of Data Squirrel? Brilliant. Wow. MB. So via this, we are being able to protect our data privacy also. And then there is this button called auto clean and import. Okay. Let me click on this button called auto clean and import on the top right side of my screen. I'll simply click on this, and guys, some magic is starting to happen on the background. Okay. Magic already happened within 5 seconds. Yes, guys, within 5 seconds, Data Squirrel tells us that we have performed the following data cleaning task: corrected one inconsistent label variation in one column, detected one value such as NA, nil, or text in one column and labeled them as ignored values, and anonymized one column to protect privacy. Basically, it has cleaned our entire, like, I did not put in a lot of errors in my data, but whatever data cleaning work you need to do, all of this can be done inside Data Squirrel in a matter of seconds. It took us less than 5 seconds in order to clean our entire data. How many of you are absolutely mind blown, how Data Squirrel was able to clean our data in under 5 seconds, which generally takes us 1 day, 2 day, sometimes it takes a week as well, sometimes 5 hours, 3 hours. In order to clean our data, we were able to do it in under 5 seconds. MB, super feature. Yes, amazed. Super. Okay. So now we were able to clean our data. Now, if we want to create a dashboard out of our data, there is this Auto AI button. So let me click on this Auto AI button over here. Okay, I click on this Auto AI button, and now again, some magic starts happening on the background. Okay, some magic starts happening on the background. So we'll need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, wait for a few seconds. We are done, what, around 10 seconds so far? Let's wait for 20 more seconds. Let's wait for 30 seconds in total, basically. 15 seconds so far. 20 seconds so far. And guys, we are done. So in under 30 seconds, okay, we have been able to convert that boring looking raw data. Guys, this boring looking raw data, which was not even clean, has been converted into an amazing looking dashboard like this, which has what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, 18 different charts in one single dashboard created in under 30 seconds with the help of Data Squirrel. These dashboards contain column charts, which contains bar charts, contain pie charts, contains line charts as well of different parameters of our data set. And the best part about it, guys, if you go to this edit button over here, simply go to this edit button over here. If you want to convert this bar chart into a column chart, simply click on column chart and your work will be done. Instead of on performance rating, based on performance rating, this data was created. Instead of that, if you want to create it age group wise, simply click on age group and your data will be modified according to age group. Okay, let's say if you want to download this particular data chart, okay, if you want to download this chart and want to attach it in your PPT, simply click on download this chart and again click on download over here, and your chart will be downloaded in a PNG format over here. Okay, let's say if you want to, basically modify this, let's say pie chart. Okay, you want to modify this pie chart, simply click on edit over here and you will be able to do the same over here as well. Okay, instead of job role, let's say if you want education field wise, okay, simply click on education field wise and you will be able to modify your entire dashboard according to education field wise. So this is how beautiful it is. And even more, even the better part about it, you see the share button over here. You can simply click on the share button, and let's say in a lot of offices this might be allowed. So if in your office this is allowed, if it is allowed for you to share this sort of a dashboard, simply click on share and you will be able to share it with your bosses as well. This dashboard, this entire dashboard containing all of these line charts, pie charts, bar charts, column charts, any sort of different chart you want to create in one single dashboard in a matter of seconds. That is how awesome this is. How many of you are absolutely mind blown by this? Absolutely mind blown, mind boggling, super smart, MB. Wow. Yes, you can download your charts as well. As I just showed you. Okay, you can download it as well. Okay, so all of this you can do with the help of Data Squirrel. That is how powerful this is. And yes, this is also free to use. Yes, as I mentioned, 4 charts you can use. And then if you want to pay later, you can do that or create a new account. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay, so this way we have been able to learn Data Squirrel as well. Okay, now guys, I already saw again, talking about Data Squirrel also, guys, if you delete your data set from Data Squirrel after analyzing it, your entire data set will be removed from the servers. So you do not need to worry about that. Okay, your entire data set will be removed from the servers. But still, I saw a couple of messages out there in the chat box that, Aditya, I have very strict data security norms at my office. Like, websites like Data Squirrel, like Claude, I can't even open in my office laptop. Is there anyone like that, who has very strict data security norms and you cannot use Claude or Data Squirrel at any given cost, and, you cannot do that at all? Yes. Me. Okay. Okay, guys. If you are someone, who has these very strict data security norms at your office. Okay. If you are someone like that, okay, I'll be showing you a way on how you can go about with that as well. That too, again, with the help of AI. Using what? Using this analyze data feature inside Microsoft Excel. This is absolutely the future, guys. This analyze data button, it is again only there in Office 365, not there in the previous versions of Office 365. In fact, guys, this particular feature is only there in the offline version of Office 365. Okay, it is not even there in the online version of Office 365. Okay, how does it work? Let's try to see it with the help of a demo. Okay, so let's say we have this data set. Okay, we have this data set. Okay, so let's say we have this sales data set. Can everyone see the sales data set, which I have opened right in front of you? Can you all see this? Yes. Okay, let's imagine that we have a data set like this, which contains about 909 different data entries for, like basically there is a salesperson named Varun Sharma who was able to sell 7-seater sofa and recliner in the Northeast region to the customer. Customer name was Thailand Spa. on this particular date of 6/1/2019, item cost was around 341 rupees. Number of items was 9. That is why the total cost came out to be 3,068 rupees. Okay, so this way we have data of around 901 such people, 909 such people, and we have to analyze this entire data set inside Microsoft Excel. We cannot use Data Squirrel or Claude in order to do that. What do you think, guys? How much time will you require if you have to analyze this entire data set and create a dashboard out of this data set as well? What do you think? How much time will it take you inside Microsoft Excel, not using anything else? 1 week, whole day, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 days, 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 day, 4 hours, at least 2 hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 1 day. Okay, I see a lot of different sort of responses, guys. Right from I have someone who mentioned 10 minutes as well, to people mentioning 1 day, 2 day, etc. Average answer being 1.5 hours, 2 hours you'll need to take in order to analyze this sort of a data set. But if you are using Microsoft Office 365 with the artificial intelligence, okay, why can't we use Data Squirrel to do this? You can absolutely use Data Squirrel to do this as well. This is, let's say if in your office you are not allowed to use Data Squirrel or, platform like Claude at all. Okay, you can only use Microsoft Excel. That is the way, if that is the case, how do you go about it? I am showing you that. Okay, so like using the artificial intelligence feature, we'll be doing this. So once you are in the home tab, guys, once you are in the home tab, on the right hand side of my screen, can you see this analyze data button over here? Can you all see this analyze data button in my home tab on my Microsoft Excel window? Yes? Can everyone see this? Yes? Okay. So what I'll do, I will simply click on this analyze data button. And guys, once I click on this analyze data button, artificial intelligence inside Microsoft Excel reads my entire data and has started to give me insights. What are the insights? Total cost by customer and salesperson. Okay. And if I click a insert pivot table on this, you can see that I have gotten an entire pivot table of all the customers which I have, of all the sales people that I have, and of all the total cost, basically the total sales they have been able to make. Like Varun Sharma for Style and Spa has been able to make total sales of 1,13,308. Like this, for Style and Spa, for different sales people, for Varun Sharma, like different customers, for Roy Abhijit, different customers, and like this, their total as well. Right over here, you have been able to make this entire pivot table in just a matter of second. You have been able to do that. Okay, that is not it, guys. If I go to sales dataset again, you can see more and more insights, total cost by customer. If I click on insert pivot chart over here, you will get the pivot table and you will get the chart for the same as well. Okay, if you want something like this, if I click over here, pivot table and pivot chart, and these are just 4 or 5 different insights. If I click on this show all 35 results, simply click on show all 35 results, and guys, we have in a matter of seconds, okay, in a matter of seconds, we have been able to create 35 different insights. Okay, 35 different insights in a matter of seconds. How many of you are absolutely mind blown looking at this? 35 different insights in a matter of seconds we have been able to create. And all of these charts are absolutely editable. Click over here, insert pivot chart, and you have this entire pivot chart, which is completely editable. You have the pivot table, which is editable, pivot chart also completely editable. So 35 different insights you were able to create in a matter of seconds, that too using Microsoft Excel itself. Okay, that too using Microsoft Excel itself. Now, guys, you might be having this question, are all of these 35 insights, okay, all charts say same thing? No, all of these are different insights. Okay, all of these are different insights. For region Northeast, item cost has outliers at these dates. For salesperson, Sina Anup, region Northeast accounts for majority of total cost. Then you can get different sorts of insight. Let's say, what is the frequency of total cost? What is the frequency of number of items? For product, bamboo foam couch has not noticeably higher item cost. All of this information we have been able to get from these insights. Now, guys, one very common question which I have received over the last few batches as well, which I'm sure you would be having as well. What if my boss does not want any insight from these 35 different insights, and boss has completely new question? Boss has completely new question. How many of you have this sort of a question in your head? Like, what if my boss looking at this analysis ask me a question instantly, and if I have to give an answer instantly to it, like which is not there in these 35 insights, how do I go about doing that? You want to know about it? Yes? So what we'll be doing, we'll be asking questions. Okay, let's ask questions. Okay, let me ask questions. Wait, guys. Okay, so let's ask question to this analyzed data. Insight number one, let's say we want to ask, let's say the boss asks us, how did the total cost vary per day? So what we'll do, we'll ask over here, total cost variation by day. Okay, so let's ask something like this. And guys, we have gotten our answer. Okay, in a matter of 1 second. Okay, simply click on insert pivot chart. For every year, for every month, for every date, we have gotten the sum of total cost as the boss had demanded us. Okay, in the form of a proper pivot table containing a proper pivot chart for the entire year of both 2019 January. Then again over here also you got so like this. Basically, you have gotten 2020, 2019. You have gotten all of this information, and again in the form of a pivot chart. You can see the pivot chart as well to 2019, or how did the total cost vary, 2020, how did the total cost vary, all again in a matter of second. Let's say the boss asked one more question, which is the boss asked, insight number two, what was the total cost per month? Show it as a column chart instead of line chart. Let's say the boss does not want a column chart, does not want a line chart, wants a column chart, and total cost per month. Again, ask it, total cost variation by month, show it as column chart instead of just type show it as column chart. Just enter this information, and guys, again, boom. Okay, I will click on insert pivot chart over here, and you can see both for the year of 2019 and 2020, we have gotten the total cost for each and every single month of both 2019 and 2020. How many of you are mind blown by this as well? Any information. So I mentioned to you before starting, Claude, I mentioned to you, right? It does not look good when the boss asks you a question and you have to get back and etc. etc. From today onwards, you will be able to answer to your boss in instantly. Boss asks you a question, instantly pivot table, pivot chart, entire analysis done, and reply to your boss. Amazing. Guys, type in the biggest amazing in the chat box if you are completely amazed by this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, guys, done. Super. Super. Okay. So guys, at this point of time, we have learned a lot of things about Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Excel using AI. I want to share more learnings with you all. I want to share a lot of more information with you all. But before learning more, okay, it is very important for us to summarize, okay, for us to summarize whatever we have learned so far. Okay. So what do you think, guys? By the way, old way of data analysis versus new way of data analysis using Claude, using Data Squirrel, using, whatever we have. What do you think? How much time it has saved you every single week? What do you think? How much time the old version versus the new version? 24 hours every week, days every week, 5 hours every week, more than 1 week, 3 hours every week. 10 to 12 hours every week, to 20 hours, a lot of time. Superb, guys, superb. So I'm super glad that, I've been able to live up to my promise so far. Whatever I've taught you so far, I have already saved you more than 3 hours every single week. And I'm super glad about that. Now, I want to share more and more learnings with you all. I want to share more information with you all. But before moving into that, it is very important for us to summarize all the information that we have learned so far, because if we don't summarize, we'll forget it. Okay. So far, what is the, we have gotten from absolutely zero or little knowledge. Okay. From absolutely zero or little knowledge on AI in Microsoft Excel to, guys, firstly, we learned about automatic data entry using data from picture, or the optical character recognition technology of Microsoft Excel. Guys, keep on typing in a yes in the chat box if you think that we have learned all of this. Have we learned this? Yes. Yes. Perfect. Then we learned how we can use Copilot or ChatGPT to generate any sort of advanced Excel formula without having to remember or memorize any of them. Learned it? Yes. Then we learned how to analyze Excel files using Claude AI. Then we learned how to work faster and smarter by making AI generated Word documents. Then we learned how to make complete presentations with the help of AI for any topic within 30 seconds. Then we learned how we can auto clean our data using AI via Data Squirrel. Then we learned how we can create dashboards using AI via Data Squirrel, and that too also in less than 30 seconds. Then we learned how to get amazing insights out of your data in just 5 seconds using Excel's Analyze Data button. Okay. Then we learned how we can impress our bosses by answering any question of theirs in just under 5 seconds and reply to their question immediately instead of asking them, I'll get back to you. So guys, do you think we have learned all of this? I want the biggest yes from all of you in the chat box if you think we have learned all of this. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, guys. Now, guys, once we have learned all of this, once we have learned about the power of AI in Microsoft Excel, I really want to ask a few questions from you all. Okay. Yeah, type in a yes in the chat box if you think that the answer to you for this particular question is an honest yes. Okay. Guys, I want to ask you now, my friend, do you understand the true potential, the real potential of artificial intelligence and AI powered Microsoft Office? Do you understand the real potential of it? Yes. Yes. Now, my friend, do you understand how a person who uses AI can easily take over most of your work and how you can soon be out of your job if you do not master it? Like how beneficial, how important AI has become. Yes. Now, my friend, do you see why prompt engineers who are the people who have the skill of talking to AI, communicating to AI. Now, my friend, do you see why prompt engineers are getting paid above 17 lakhs per annum in India, even as freshers? And you know how it is the highest paid AI job in the world? Yes. And now, my friend, do you realize how important it is for each and everyone over here to master the most in demand softwares and technologies in order to not just survive in your career, but to grow in your career and get the salary increment that you have always desired for? You would have desired for a certain salary. And, like now, do you see how important it is for you to master all of this to get that real salary hike, how to impress your bosses, etc.? I want the biggest yes from you all in the chat box if you think that the answer to all of this is a very big yes to you all. Yes, 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 yes. Wow, guys, I see so many yeses out there in the chat box, and I'm super glad that you all understand that this is so, so important. The artificial intelligence has become so crucial, so important for us to be able to use in our day-to-day work, in our Microsoft Excel work, in our Microsoft PowerPoint work, in whatever work we are doing. We should be integrating AI in it. It has become so, so essential because if you do that, you will be able to do the work of your peers. You will be able to perform much better than your peers. You will be able to do your work much faster than your peers. And like, once you start doing all of that with the help of AI, it is very natural to see the kind of career growth that you have always desired for. That is why it is so, so important for all of us, okay, for each and everyone over here to start using artificial intelligence. Because guys, if we do not learn AI right now, I'm sorry to say, but be ready to lose your job and get replaced by AI in the next 12 to 15 months. Okay, because companies are doing things which they have never done in the past. Okay, companies like Microsoft have fired entire departments of people, not just one people, not just two people, entire departments of people, have been laid off in companies like Microsoft. More than 10,000 job cuts. Companies like Goldman Sachs have fired more than 3,000 people because of this AI revolution. JP Morgan fired more than 500 people. In 2023, we used to hear news about this AI layoffs a lot. But in 2024, the number of news have reduced. But does that mean the number of layoffs have reduced? That is not the case, guys. Just simply go to layofftracker.fyi. Or a developer, you could be into accounting or finance. You can see over here, as coder developer, most coders in India will lose jobs within a year or two. Not me saying, the CEO of Stability AI the ex-CEO basically has said this. Most coders in India will lose jobs within a year or two. Accounting and finance jobs have come at risk because of this AI revolution. Marketers, HR professionals, even they are at risk. Doctors who do not use AI will be replaced by doctors who use AI. Lawyers and legal professionals, they are also at risk. Okay. In fact, more than all of this, AI has also replaced the CEO of a major Chinese gaming company, and things appear to be going very well for them. So AI has come to MNCs, it has come to startups, it has come across the domains to doctors, to teachers, to lawyers. It is replacing each and every job. So guys, all of us, okay, we all are working, an entire generation of people who are working in jobs which are not even gonna exist without AI in the next 12 to 15 months. That is the harsh, that is the sad reality which is there, guys. We all are an entire generation of people who are working in jobs which are not even gonna exist without AI in the next 12 to 15 months. And that is why, if you're someone, who is like ki AI mera kuch nahi bigaad sakta, I don't have to use AI, I can do this Excel work normally also. If you're someone, who is like that, if you try to compete with AI, guys, I'm very, sorry to say, but you will lose. You will absolutely lose, because AI is smarter than you. AI is faster than you. AI is cheaper than you. Not just you guys. AI is smarter, faster, cheaper than me. AI is smarter, faster, cheaper than anyone in the world. So you cannot possibly be someone who tries to compete with AI. You have to be, okay? You absolutely have to be someone who starts AI, making AI your friend. Make AI your collaborator, because if you try to work with AI, you will absolutely win, and you will win in the long run. Why so? Because AI cannot replace you directly. Only a person using AI will. Like I used AI in today's session to get all my work done. You all should also be starting to use AI in order to get your work done, because AI can't do work on its own. The AI needs an operator. So you all should be someone who is operating AI very, very efficiently. Make AI your friend, make AI your collaborator, and that is how you will win in the long run. And to make AI your friend, to make AI your collaborator, to work with AI, you should be learning everything about artificial intelligence and prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? The art of talking to AI, how I communicated with AI. You should be learning everything about how you can talk to AI, basically prompt engineering. Okay. So you should be learning everything about AI and prompt engineering. By the way, guys, for learning prompt engineering, you do not need any prior coding knowledge or anything like that. Okay. It is very, very simple. Basically, just how do you talk to AI? If you learn a proper way of doing that, you will win in this AI revolution. Okay. So you should be learning how to use AI and prompt engineering for doing your day-to-day work. Whatever work you're doing, you should be using it for it. You should be using AI for doing your research work, for your project work, for your client work, for getting better jobs, for coding with the help of AI, for management and team leadership with the help of AI, for writing and designing with the help of AI, and for doing data analysis as well with the help of AI. You should be using AI for all of this. Can I get a commitment from each and everyone that you will be learning everything about AI and prompt engineering for doing all of this sort of work in your day-to-day office? Can I get a commitment from each and everyone? Can I get the biggest yes in the chat box from each and everyone? Yes? Super guys, super guys. I'm super proud of you all. Will be glad to see you all, learn all of this and apply it in your day-to-day life. Now, guys, the biggest leverage, okay, the biggest leverage that we have generated, that we have been able to create at Office Master is not, about the webinars that I just conducted, about the kind of content that we have created, which I know like people love this. So I know that, you all love this, but this is not the biggest thing, that leverage that we have created at Office Master. At Office Master, the biggest leverage that we have created is a network of HRs. Okay. We have created the biggest network of AVP HRs, of HR managers, who keep on giving us information, okay, on information about what are the best softwares, the best skills, which candidates, which working professionals should be learning in the industry if they want to get a very good salary hike, if they want to get a very good package. Okay. If they learn these skills will yield them very, very good packages. And this is information directly coming from AVP HRs, from HR managers of top MNCs in India. And for getting this information, we pay them lakhs of rupees. So this is the biggest leverage that we have created at Office Master. Now, I would love to know who all wants to know all of these softwares, these skills that you should be learning in order to get that biggest salary hike, in order to get that biggest job offer in your life. Which this information which we have gotten directly from AVP HRs, HR managers. Who all wants that? I. Me. Come on, guys. I want the biggest amount of energy in the chat box if you really want it, because this is like the most precise piece of information that we have. Because if you really learn these softwares, these skills which I'm talking about, you will actually, actually win in the long run. You will get the biggest salary hikes out there. You will get the best job offers out there. Me, please share. Me too. Okay, guys. So what are these? So besides learning, skill number one that you should be learning is everything about AI and prompt engineering for doing all of this. Besides this, skill number two that you should be learning is everything about right from basics of Microsoft Excel to advanced Microsoft Excel. Why so? Because guys, Microsoft Excel is one such skill, one such software which is used by more than 1.5 billion people every single day. Okay, but out of those 1.5 billion people, only less than 1% people can actually use Microsoft Excel very well. Okay, so if you want to actually grow in your career, you should be able to, you should be able to learn, master Excel right from basics till advanced. You should be knowing all of the best formulas in Microsoft Excel, the 60 plus advanced formulas in Microsoft Excel. You should be knowing about pivot tables in Microsoft Excel, about the best data visualizations in Microsoft Excel. I'm not just talking about column charts, bar charts, pie charts. Guys, that is something which is everyone in your office, every interviewer, everyone would be doing out there. I'm talking about the best data visualizations you should be making so as to grow in your career. So you should be learning all about that. You should be knowing everything about advanced functions and tools in Microsoft Excel. You should be knowing everything about macros, automation, and AI inside Microsoft Excel, because once you start using macros, you will be able to reduce hours of your work into just minutes, and you can do that with the help of AI as well. So you should be learning everything about this. So because this is one of the most important skills which these AVP HRs, like vice president HRs, HR managers tell us that Excel is such a basic skill which we expect everyone to know, but everyone does not know the advanced, basic to advanced Microsoft Excel. That is why this is one skill that you should definitely, each and everyone, even if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s as well, you should be knowing all about it so as to grow more in your career. Besides this, which is skill number two, you should be learning skill number three, which is one of the best softwares which Microsoft has created. This is not Microsoft Excel. The best software which Microsoft has actually created is Microsoft Power BI. Okay, you should be learning everything about Microsoft Power BI right from basics till advanced, so that you can create AI powered dashboards in Microsoft Power BI, via which you will be able to convert boring looking raw data of your organization into beautiful looking dashboards like this. And companies are paying heavily, guys. Companies are paying more than 17 LPA. Just if you are a very good Power BI developer, companies are paying more than 17 LPA, because you can convert your boring looking raw data into beautiful looking dashboards like this. And companies absolutely love this. Like bosses absolutely love dashboards like this, via which they can see their entire company's performance in the form of a single dashboard. So you should know the skill of creating AI powered dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. Then after learning skill three, you should be learning skill number four, which is creating beautiful looking PowerPoint presentations just in 30 minutes. Now, guys, why is this important? Because if you're someone who wants to grow vertically in your career, if you want to become your manager, if you want to become a senior manager, if you want to become an AVP or VP of your company, what are these people doing day in and day out? They are just attending meetings. In these meetings, they are either showing presentations or they are receiving presentations. So if you want to grow vertically, if you want that growth in your career, you should be having the power of creating beautiful looking presentations, and that too in under 30 minutes. In fact, if you start using artificial intelligence in order to make your PowerPoint presentations, you will be able to make beautiful looking PowerPoint presentations for your company in under 5 minutes as well. Okay, besides this, the skill number five that you should be learning is everything about one of the most important skills. I can guarantee you guys, in the next 8 to 12 months, structured query language will be one of the highest paying skills out there. Why am I saying so? Because guys, it is not, I'm 100% sure all of you already know data is the new oil. Okay, data is the new oil. Data is something that companies would be fighting for. And in order to protect a company's data, in order to manage a company's data, HRs or these companies are ready to pay a heavy salary to structured query language people, or to people who are SQL experts, because they'll be able to manage a company's data. Data is their new oil, and that is why companies are ready to pay very heavily to SQL experts so as to help them, in their data management skills. So in the next 8 to 12 months, one of the highest paying skills out there would be SQL. So these are the 5 skills, guys. If you know, you will be really be able to grow exponentially in your career. Can I get a commitment from each and everyone? Can you repeat? Okay, I'll just show it to you once again. Skill number one, learn to use AI and prompt engineering for your day-to-day work. For all of this sort of work, learn to use AI and prompt engineering. Skill number two, master basic to advanced Microsoft Excel. Skill number three, you should be having the power of creating AI powered dashboard using Microsoft Power BI, because companies are really looking forward to pay a lot of amount if you are able to create beautiful looking dashboards, convert boring looking raw data into beautiful dashboards like this. Then you should be able to create beautiful looking presentations, that too in under 30 minutes. And you should be able to manage your company's data with the help of structured query language to be able, so as to, because data is the new oil and companies really want people who can manage their data well. So one of the highest paying skills, I can give it to you in guarantee in the next 8 to 12 months. So these are the 5 skills that, guys, if you know, if you learn and master, I can guarantee you that you will grow exponentially in your career. Whatever salary you are getting right now, you will be able to get easily 40-50% salary hike. You will be able to get very good job offers of 18 LPA, 20 LPA easily. Whatever you are earning right now, you can earn more than that if you learn these 5 skills. So can I get a commitment from each and every student of mine who is attending over here? Because I really want all of you to grow in your career. Can I get a commitment that all of you will be learning all of these 5 skills so as to grow exponentially in your career? Definitely I'll learn, sir. 100%. Yes, man, I'll 100%. Yes, I'll learn 100%, 100%. Big yes. How to learn? Okay, guys, let me ask you something. Let me ask you one more thing. Guys, how many of you, okay, who all would like to learn all of this? Okay, who all would like to learn all of this directly from me and become an AI powered working professional and ultimately grow exponentially in your career? Who all wants to learn all of this, like about, chat GPT, about prompt engineering, artificial intelligence, Excel, Power BI, structured query language, PowerPoint? How many, is there anyone like that who wants to learn all of this directly from me? Me. I'm interested. Me. Yes, of course, you are superb. Me. Superb, guys. Guys, if you all want to learn it directly from me, the next masterclass that I'm going to be conducting is specifically for you all. What am I talking about? The next masterclass will not just help you learn all of the skills, but will also help you master all of the skills. In fact, this masterclass would also help you become Microsoft Office Specialist PowerPoint Associate. It will help you become a Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. It will help you become a Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Expert. It will help you become a Microsoft Office Specialist, a Microsoft Certified Expert, and a Microsoft Certified Associate. Yes, all of these Microsoft certifications, the highest level of certification which which a working professional can achieve. This is what the masterclass is about. It will not just help you learn, not just help you master, but will help you get all of these certifications and badges for yourself. What is the masterclass that I'm talking about? Guys, the next masterclass that I'm going to be conducting specifically for you guys is the basic to advanced chat GPT, the basic to advanced artificial intelligence, the basic to advanced prompt engineering, the basic to advanced Microsoft Excel, the basic to advanced Power BI, the basic to advanced PowerPoint, and the basic to advanced structured query language masterclass. This is a masterclass which has been designed for working professionals by a working professional, and you need absolutely no prior knowledge in order to learn everything right from basics till advanced in this particular masterclass. But before moving on to more about the masterclass, guys, this masterclass, let me tell you how did we originate with this masterclass. I told you about the network of HRs that we had built, guys, right? Now, these network of HRs, whenever we used to meet them, they always used to tell us, Aditya, there are no good candidates in the market. We are looking for people with 5 years of experience, with 15 years of experience, but there are no good candidates out there in the market. We are looking for freshers as well, but there are no good candidates itself. Whom do we hire? Then, we used to have our students who used to attend our webinars courses. They always used to be like, Aditya, there are no good, jobs out there in the market. People are not paying well. I am not being able to find openings. And, these used to be problem from HR side and from student side as well. So we were initially not able to understand why both of them are saying contradictory things. Then we realized one thing. The biggest gap was the skill gap. Okay, so HRs were looking for skilled candidates who had skills in specific things, and candidates who were out there in the market. These were people, who were actually skilled with the old stuff itself. While they had gotten their first job, they were skilled with that itself. They had never skilled after that. So that was causing the biggest difference in the market. And, people were looking for jobs, but they were not getting it. HRs were looking for candidates, they were not getting it. Exactly for this reason, we started off with this particular masterclass, which helps you not just learn, but helps you master and get certified by Microsoft in the most in-demand skills of the present and the data and AI-driven future. The best part, you need no prior knowledge. Now, along with this masterclass, I do not want my students to face an issue in this masterclass because they don't have softwares, because they don't have Microsoft Office or anything like that. So guys, in this masterclass, I'm going to be adding the premium chat GPT plus subscription, the premium GPT plus subscription, or GPT 4.0. Okay, this is something. Okay, let me show it to you. GPT 4.0 is something which costs $20. Okay, $20 every single month. You will be getting GPT plus for absolutely free along with this masterclass, not for 1 month or 2 months, but for many, many months. By the way, guys, GPT plus is something which is connected to the internet. This is not like, you are working in an offline environment. It is connected to the internet. So you'll be getting it for completely free, not for 1, not for 2, but for many, many months. In fact, along with GPT plus, you will also be getting the premium Microsoft Office 365 offline version. We learned that the online version is free, but it has certain limitations. It does not have the analyze button. It does not have the designer button and a lot of premium features of the AI enabled version of Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office 365 offline version becomes very, very important for learning. And I did not want this to be a barrier for my students. So that is why for my students, I am adding the premium Microsoft Office 365, which is the AI-enabled version of Microsoft Office. You will be getting the offline version as well for completely free, which is something which costs, as you can see over here, 6,200 plus taxes every single year. Comes out to be an average or approximately more than 7,000 rupees every single year for Microsoft Office. You will be getting this as well in this masterclass for absolutely free of cost, not for 1 year or 2 years, but for many, many years. Along with it, in this masterclass, I'll be teaching you how you can get a salary hike, an additional salary than whatever you are earning right now, or extra of rupees 60,000 to 1.3 lakhs every single month. Yes, guys, whatever you are earning right now, you can earn an additional of 60,000 to 1.3 lakhs every single month, as 262 of my students have done it in the last 3 months itself. In fact, this number has gone more than 300. I'll show you the proof for it as well. Okay. Along with it, this masterclass helps you guarantees you to get a high paying job of more than 18 LPA with a 100% guaranteed. Okay. With a 100% guaranteed in-house job assistance. So this is exactly what the masterclass is all about. Guys, this is the exact masterclass which has helped my students get high-paying jobs in companies like Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta, Capgemini, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, KPMG, Deloitte, Mphasis, Infosys, Sony. Talk about any of these high-paying MNCs companies. My students are already working there, and this is the exact masterclass which has helped them get over there. Now, guys, in this masterclass, when you learn and implement in this masterclass, you can get only 2 sorts of result. What am I talking about? You will be getting a minimum, okay, a minimum 40% salary appraisal in your current job with an upgraded designation. What does an upgraded designation mean? Basically with a promotion. So I'm telling you that you will get a minimum, not up to, minimum 40% salary appraisal in your job with a promotion, or you will get a better job with a higher salary package than your current job. Whatever you are earning right now, you will be able to get a better job with a higher salary package than that. And guys, if you're not able to achieve this, if you're not able to achieve any of these results, I do not want to charge you for the masterclass. What do I mean? This masterclass comes with a 100% money back guarantee. What do I mean? Like basically, either you get a minimum 40% salary appraisal in your job with a promotion, or get a better job with a higher salary package than your current job, or you get 100% of your money back. I will not charge you if you are not getting results like this from the masterclass. So that is how confident I'm about the masterclass. Either get results or get your money back. As simple as that. Okay. Now you might be wondering, who is this masterclass for, guys? This particular masterclass is for freshers, is for working professionals, is for students, majorly targeted towards working professionals. If you're a fresher or a student, you can join this masterclass as well. Okay. This masterclass, irrespective of your background, you could be from commerce background, from science background, from arts background, or irrespective of your department as well. You could be from marketing, from HR, from data, from IT, from tech. You could be from from sales. You could be from product. You could be from content. You could be anyone. You could be from any department. And this particular masterclass is for you, irrespective of your background, of your department, or your age as well. You could be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or 70s as well. And this masterclass will help you. In fact, let me tell you a data point. More than 50% of our students in this masterclass have an age of more than 38 years. Okay, so that is how we have designed a masterclass specifically for working professionals as well as freshers and students as well. Okay, so specifically talking, if you're a working professional who is earning less than 18 LPA in your job right now, within the next 2 months, you can earn more than 18 LPA. You can get a new job having more than 18 LPA plus salary in the next 2 months in a guaranteed manner from the masterclass. Or if you are a working professional who is earning more than 18 LPA right now, okay, and if you want to stay in your same job and get a minimum 40% salary appraisal in your job, you can do that as well with the help of this masterclass. It will help you get a minimum 40% salary appraisal with a better designation. All of this guaranteed. If it does not happen, you get your money back. Okay. Also, if you are a student or a fresher and you do not want to start your career with a basic 4 LPA salary as most of Indian freshers do, then this particular masterclass is for you. It will help you start your career with a minimum 10 LPA plus job at the start of your career itself. Or if you're someone who is working in some other field, and if you're looking for guaranteed job assistance program which guarantees you a minimum 17 LPA package, which via our company tie-ups that we have built, this particular masterclass is for you. Again, complete 100% money back guaranteed. Now, in this masterclass, guys, you might be wondering how we will be, able to achieve so good results for you all because of the content of this masterclass, guys. What is it that we are going to be covering in this program? Number one, we'll be starting off with learning everything about prompt engineering. A to Z of prompt engineering, we'll be learning in this first course, basically how to talk to AI right from A to Z. So as you can see, prompt engineering will be the highest paying AI job. This is not me saying, this is the World Economic Forum which has said that. So, you will be learning about prompt engineering, about prompt framework, about prompt priming, prompt iteration, teach me prompt, ask for advice prompt, write like me prompts. All of this we'll be learning in this first course because as you can see, more proofs over here, prompt engineering salary. If you go and Google, you will be able to find Forbes article as well. AI prompt engineers earn $300,000 salary. Now, guys, let me tell you something. $300,000 salaries is something which is 2.5 crore salaries is something that you can expect in the United States, in the US. In India, do not expect 2.5 crore, but in India, you can expect average packages of 17 lakhs per annum, even for freshers as well. That is what exactly we'll be learning in this first course. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the second course where we'll be learning everything, basically everything about how to integrate AI in our day-to-day office work so as to be completely AI proof. Okay, so we'll learn how to use AI for workflow automation, how to use AI for summarizing text and information, use AI for data analysis, for speech and presentation, for responding to emails automatically, for reviewing and improving teamwork. Basically, AI can be literally used in any job in the world for every work that you are doing. We'll be learning all of this in this second module itself. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the third course, which is doing our research work, our project work, our client work with the help of AI. Basically, how to generate research ideas with AI, how to do fact checking with AI, information curation, validation of information, discussion initiative, market research using AI, competitor analysis using AI. All of this we'll be doing in this third course. Once we do this, guys, we'll be moving on to the fourth course, one of my most favorite course, one of the most important courses out there. Why so? Because, guys, no school, no tuition, no college, no degree in the world would have taught you something like this. What am I talking about? In this fourth course, we'll be learning everything about salary negotiation. Okay, so the entire course is all about job hunting to get a 40% salary hike using AI. You will learn how to find those hidden job opportunities which are not there in Naukri, which are not there in LinkedIn portal, in any of these portals. You'll be learning about that, and you will be learning how you can use AI to create ATS friendly resumes, applicant tracking system friendly resumes. How can use AI to determine your extra extra market worth, how you can do salary negotiation. One of the most important skills that you should be learning, because this particular skill of salary negotiation, if you know very well, you will be able to increase your salary in your current company. You will be able to increase your salary in in any new company that you're applying for as well, only by knowing this particular art of salary negotiation. So you'll be learning all about this in this fourth course. Once we do this, we'll be learning everything about coding with the help of AI. Basically, how to write Python codes, how to write R codes, any sort of coding you want to do, you will be able to do with the help of AI without having any coding background. Yes, guys, without me being a non-techie, I'm being able to code with the help of AI. You will also be able to code with the help of AI. Even if you are not a techie, even if you have never coded in your life, you will be able to do that. You will be able to create codes, you will be able to debug codes, you will be able to convert one code from the other using this fifth module. Once we have done with the fifth course, we'll be moving on to the sixth course, which is again one of the very important ones, which is building a second side hustle income for yourself. Now, guys, in this particular AI-driven world, if you are relying on just one source of income for yourself, you could not be doing anything more wrong. Okay, you cannot just rely on one source of income in this AI-driven world, because, guys, because of any macroeconomic changes which are happening, we could lose our job, we could lose our source of income. Okay, and that cannot be the case in this particular century. So you have to create a second source of income for yourself, and that too with the help of AI. You can create that. That is exactly what I'll be teaching you in this sixth module. Create a second source of income so that you have that backup safety, that even if you lose your job, you will get that constant source of income. Meanwhile, you can look for another job as well. So this is all about the sixth course. Once we do that, guys, we can call ourselves a true ChatGPT, AI, and prompt engineering expert. In fact, we'll be getting certified. You will be getting badges as ChatGPT and AI expert, prompt engineering expert as well. Once we are done with everything about ChatGPT, AI, and prompt engineering, we'll be moving on to learning everything about skill number 2. What is it? Which is learning everything right from basics of Microsoft Excel to advanced Excel. For that, firstly, we'll be learning in the seventh course everything from basics to advanced of formulas mastery. I'm talking about management formulas, financial formulas, lookup formulas, array formulas, fill formulas. Basically, all of these advanced formulas, you will be learning everything about it in this seventh course, right from basics till advanced. Okay, once we are done with this, we'll be moving on to the eighth course, which is everything about data visualization. Again, right from basics till advanced. I'm not talking about just creating column charts, bar charts, pie charts. Of course, we'll be doing that for starters, but that is not something which will differentiate you in your office. If you want to be someone who is differentiated in your office, who is basically creating a very big impact in your office, you should be able to represent your information in the form of scatter plots, tree map chart, sunburst chart, waterfall chart, dynamic drop down chart, funnel chart, slope chart, heat maps, dumbbell charts. All of this you will be learning so as to become like someone who is a very, very good data visualizer in your office. So this is what we'll be learning in the eighth course. After this, we'll be moving on to the ninth course, which is everything about pivot tables, right from basics till advanced, so as to be able to do data analysis with the help of pivot tables in Microsoft Excel. In fact, we'll be covering, as a part of the course itself, guys, we'll be covering around 40 different case studies in the entire course. 4 mega case studies will be covered in this ninth course itself. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the 10th course. Again, one very, very, very important course. Why so? Because, guys, 68% of Fortune 500 companies, 68% of the world's best 500 companies have already shifted to Microsoft Office 365. Why have they shifted? Because Office 365, according to a recent report, has stated that it gives a 720% productivity boost to its employees. So all of these best companies in the world have already shifted to Office 365, and any of the remaining companies, all of the 32% remaining 500 companies, and any other MNC, any other startup, all of them will be shifting to Office 365 because of this productivity boost. So it is required for all of these employees employees of these companies to be to be skilled in Office 365. They'll be forced to be skilled in Office 365, or they will be replaced by people who are skilled in Office 365. And that is why it is very important for us to learn everything about Office 365. And we'll be doing this in the 10th course. And because I don't want software to be an issue for you all, I am providing you software as well, which is Microsoft Office 365, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, Access, all of these Microsoft Office 365 accesses for completely free, which costs 7,000 every year. I'm giving it to you all because I do not want software to be an issue for you all in learning. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the 11th course, which is everything about Excel, VBAs, macros, and automation. learning how we can automate our work in Microsoft Excel with the help of AI, with the help of VBAs, with the help of macros. Guys, this is Aditya Goenka's guarantee that if by any chance you are spending 4 to 5 hours, in Microsoft Excel on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, you will be able to reduce that work into just 15 minutes. Okay, just 15 minutes you will be able to do that, and that is my guarantee. You will be able to do it with the help of this 11th course. Once we do this, guys, we will be certified as a true Microsoft Excel expert. You will be getting certified from us as an Excel specialist. In fact, you can also get certified as a Microsoft Office specialist Excel expert, the highest level. Guys, less than 10,000 people in India, out of a country of 150 crore, less than 10,000 people in India have this sort of a certification, which is the highest level of certification a working professional can achieve as an Excel expert. So you will be learning, you can get that as well, a Microsoft Office specialist Excel expert certification from after learning all of this. Okay, once we do this, we'll be moving on to skill number 3, which is learning everything about Power BI right from basics, even without having no tech background or no experience, with no background knowledge in Power BI required. We'll be learning everything about right from installation of Power BI, what are the types of connector, how to load data in Power BI, all about the basics of Power BI to creating AI powered dashboards in Power BI. Okay, everything about advanced Power BI, how to create AI powered dashboards in Power BI. We'll be learning to call ourselves a true Power BI expert. We'll be getting certified as a Power BI expert and also as a Microsoft certified, verified Power BI data analyst associate, highest level of certification as a Power BI expert, which you can achieve. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to skill number 4, which is learning everything right from basics of creating PowerPoint presentation to advanced PowerPoint presentation, that too creating PowerPoint presentations with the help of AI, which can help you become, which can help you grow vertically in your career, basically become a manager, senior manager, AVP, VP of your company very, very fast with the help of all of this PowerPoint skills. Once you do that, you can call yourselves a true PowerPoint expert. You will be getting certified in it. In fact, you can also get certified as a Microsoft Office specialist, PowerPoint associate, highest level of certification as a PowerPoint expert. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to our 16th and 17th course, which is learning everything about structured query language or SQL right from basics, even if you have no prior knowledge, to advanced SQL with for database management, which is the #1 skill for database management in 2024. You will be learning everything about that right from basics till advanced to call ourselves a true SQL expert. You'll be getting certified in it. In fact, you can get certified as a Microsoft certified expert on the same as well. Once we do all of this, guys, we would have covered 17 learnings. Okay, 17 learnings in one single masterclass. 17 learnings in just one single masterclass. The best 5 skills that you should be learning. So, you should be having to grow exponentially in your career in one single masterclass to become a ChatGPT AI expert, prompt engineering expert, Excel specialist, PowerPoint expert, Power BI specialist, and an SQL expert as well. Now you might be wondering, Aditya, I'm a working professional, I'm a fresher, etc., etc., and it is not possible for me to spend 3 hours like this every single day in order to learn from you. Guys, I completely understand the problems of a working professional. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a masterclass for working professionals by a working professional. Okay, so I do not expect you to spend 3 hours of your time every single day in order to learn from me. What do I mean? Guys, this entire masterclass has been divided into video lessons, very, very interesting bite-sized lessons, which you can watch at your convenience whenever you have the time. If you have time at morning, before breakfast, during lunch hours, during snack hours, after dinner, right before sleeping, whenever you have the time, you can watch these video lessons at your convenience. Very, very interesting bite-sized lessons for your convenience. Okay, along with it, if you're wondering, this would be another masterclass which would have 300 hours of content, 400 hours of content. Guys, that is not the case. I know the problems of a working professional. Like the most amount of courses out there in the market, they have 300, 2 hours, 100 hours of content, and no one can ideally finish that. Okay, so I'm not expecting you to do that. This masterclass contains very, very limited, very pinpointed information. Let me put it that way. Very pinpointed information so as to get you maximum learnings from this masterclass. Okay, so you need to just spend 40 minutes a day for 40 days in order to get fastest results in your life. Okay, 40 minutes a day for 40 days to get fastest results in your life. Basically 60 days in total. where 40 days will go into learning and 20 days will go into implementation. That is how the masterclass is designed. And if you are thinking that you have to spend 2 months straight continuous, that is not the case, guys. If you want to take breaks in between, let's say if you have projects in between, let's say if you have certain work, let's say if you are traveling in between, you can take pauses in this masterclass as well. You can start, you can pause, you can stop this masterclass whenever you want. You have complete flexibility in order to do so. If you want to start after 2 months, you can do that as well. I am there with you in order to support you. That is what I can tell you. Okay. So only 40 minutes a day for 40 days to get the fastest results in your life. Irrespective, you would have lifetime access to the masterclass. Along with it, guys, I know that in this workshop, I have not been able to take everyone's question, and it is not possible for me to take everyone's question because of the number of people who are attending this particular workshop. But in this masterclass, I wanted to provide personal guidance to each and everyone. That is why you will get 52 weekly live doubt solving sessions for personal guidance. Okay. I would be there. My team would be there to help you guide personally throughout this masterclass. Whatever doubts you have, whatever you need, you will be catered to with the help of these live doubt solving sessions. Now, along with it, guys, once you register for this masterclass, I know that in your family, you are not the only one, who is working. In your family, you would have your parents, your siblings, your children. You would have a lot of people who also wants to grow in your career. So since you would be a part of a family, I do not want to charge every person of your family. What do I mean by that? In this masterclass, once you invest for yourself, you are not just investing in yourself. You are investing for your entire family. What does it mean? That in this masterclass, you will be getting not just one access, you will be getting 8 different accesses. Okay. So you can share this masterclass with your wife, with your husband, with your parents, with your children, with your siblings, with your friends. Basically, it is available for you and for your entire family so that your entire family can grow together in their respective careers. Okay. Along with it, this masterclass comes with complete lifetime access and lifetime updates to all the lessons. Like, let's say Office 365, there are so many new features in Office 365, right? Now, if there is new version of Microsoft Office comes, if there is anything new in the world of AI tools which happens, you will be getting all lifetime updates to all the lessons. You don't need to pay again and again for it. It is automatically a part of your masterclass. In fact, you will be getting lifetime access as well. So if you want to watch the lessons after 2 years again, 5 years again, 10 years again, you can do that. If you want to start after 2 months, 5 months, you can do that as well. I am there with you. Also, in this masterclass, as I mentioned, you won't be just getting certified by us because, guys, our certificate is valid only in India. Only Indian companies will recognize that. But if you want to apply for jobs in the US, in Dubai, in Singapore, or basically anywhere outside India, our certificates will not hold value. Over there, Microsoft certifications will hold value. So I will be teaching you in this masterclass how you can get certified by Microsoft directly as a Microsoft certified expert, because this certification will hold a global value in your, in your LinkedIn profile, in your resume, etc., etc. Along with it, this masterclass, as I mentioned, comes once you learn and implement in the masterclass, you get guaranteed results. Okay, you get absolutely guaranteed results. Basically, if you do not get a more than 40%, minimum 40% salary hike or a high paying job than your current job, you will get 100% of your money back, that too in a guaranteed manner. Okay, I do not want to charge you for that. To be able to achieve all of this, guys, I cannot, enroll hundreds of students in this masterclass. I want to keep a very limited batch size because I want to cater to maximum amount of people. What do I mean by that? Guys, in this masterclass, I would be catering to only for 30 people. Okay, 30 people in this masterclass. First 30 people who register, they will be a part of this masterclass. And for these people, you will be getting 6 insanely special bonuses as well. Yes, guys, 6 insanely special bonuses, which will save you 1.5 lakh rupees in software cost in the next couple of minutes itself. I'll be telling you how you can save 1.5 lakh rupees in software cost in the next couple of minutes itself via the help of these 6 insanely special bonuses. So repeating it again, batch size of 30 people, 6 insanely special bonuses for them in order to help them grow maximum in their career. Okay, so what are these 6 insanely special bonuses for these first 30 people? Yes, guys, I'll be sharing the link. Don't worry about it. Be ready for it, because I'll be taking in only first 30 people. So once I share the link, I want all of you to be ready, to be a part of first 30. So what are these 6 insanely special bonuses I'm talking about? How you'll be saving 1.5 lakhs in software cost in the next couple of minutes itself. Guys, bonus number 1 that you will be getting as a part of first 30, you will be getting premium GPT-4 subscription or GPT Plus subscription, which is connected to the internet. Yes, guys, we have taken GPT-4's API, which is connected to the internet, and you will be getting subscription for it, not for 1 month or 2 months or 10 months. You will be getting it for 24 months in total. Yes, guys. GPT-4 subscription, which costs $20 every single month, you will be getting it for 24 months. Basically, $480 in total is something that you will save. Talking about Indian currency, you will be saving 40,000 rupees in total, because you'll be getting GPT-4, which costs $20 a month, which is 1,700 rupees a month, not for one, not for two, but for 24 months or 2 years in total. You'll be getting GPT-4 for completely free along with this masterclass. Then comes bonus number 2, which is you will be getting premium Microsoft Office 365 subscription, which is the offline version of Microsoft Office 365, which costs 7,000 rupees every single year. You will be getting it not for 1 year, not for 2 years, but for 5 years in total. Yes, containing all the new AI functions instantly. You will be getting offline version of Office 365 for completely free for 5 years. Basically, for 60 months in total, you will be getting it, saving you 35,000 rupees additional. So bonus number 1 saved you guys 40,000 rupees. Bonus number 2 saved you 35,000 rupees additional. 75,000 rupees already saved. Okay. Then comes bonus number 3, where you will be getting the data analytics and data science using AI Mastery. Guys, one of our most advanced programs, some of you would have already seen ads about it. This program is worth rupees 39,000 rupees. I'll show you something, guys. Wait, I'll show you something. You would have heard about Upgrad, right? Okay. Upgrad is a platform, which provides a course on data science and AI. Okay. This particular program by Upgrad, the cost of this particular program? The cost of this particular program, guys, is rupees 3,25,000 rupees. Okay, only this data science and AI program, Upgrad charges 3,25,000 rupees for it. Okay, or moreover, in this, because it's a data science and AI program, you will be needing softwares like AI tools and etc. So Upgrad is not even giving you the Gen AI tools for free along with this 3,25,000 rupees program. You need to pay an additional $40 for this Gen AI tool subscription alongside with the program fee. Okay, so not even giving this particular thing for free, which program is worth rupees, the cost of this program is 3,25,000. So we did not want to charge 3,25,000 rupees for our data science and data analytics using AI program. That is why we are charging just rupees 39,000 rupees for it. In fact, what we thought, for this particular batch itself, for the set of our first 30 students, we will be giving it to you all for completely free. Yes, guys, first 30 students, data analytics and data science using AI Mastery as well for completely free, worth rupees 39,000. Then comes bonus number 4. You will be getting the certified basic to advanced Python masterclass as well. Guys, Python, again, one very important skill besides the 5 skills that I mentioned. The 6th number skill is Python. Okay, so you should be knowing everything right from basics to advanced of Python. That is why I have covered this in this particular bonus number 4, where you will be learning everything about Python without having any prior knowledge in Python as well. I'll be teaching you all about it. This particular bonus is worth rupees 12,000. Again, giving it to you for absolutely free for the first 30 students. Then comes bonus number 5, where you will be learning how you can make money for yourself. What do I mean by that? How you can start your business of your own meanwhile doing your job. Okay, the Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Guys, this is a completely live event, a 4-day live event that we conduct, a Job to Business Switch Mastermind, where we teach people how they can start their successful, profitable businesses of their own, as we have done it, as a lot of our students have done it, without even leaving your job. You can do it. Once you start earning 3 times of your, job, you can actually leave it and then, think about more. But this particular Job to Business Switch Mastermind, we'll be giving you the complete blueprint of whatever is required in order for you to start a successful, profitable business of your own. This particular bonus itself is worth rupees 20,000. You will be getting it for completely free as bonus number 5 for the first 30. Talking about our students, guys, our students like Ashish Kumar, who is a Power BI developer. Okay, he was an IT professional. He's an IT professional as a freelancer. Like, along with his job, he is, doing Power BI developer work, and he earned additional to whatever he's earning in his job, he additionally earned $116,000 in 6 months as a Power BI developer using the Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Talking about Riddhi Gupta, who used to run an offline business, she became an Excel consultant. As an Excel consultant, she earned $7,100 in 6 months, after joining the masterclass. Talking about Harshit Singh's amount, guys, is very, very low, just 34,000 rupees. But he is a student. Okay, as a second year student, he earned an addition of 34,000 rupees in 2 months, which is a big number for him. He was able to do it in 2 months. He's achieving more and more new heights now with the help of this Job to Business Switch Mastermind. So you will be getting it for completely free. Moreover, guys, this is about my students. Okay, talking about me, about my business, about the world of consultancy. Guys, by the age of 27, basically in 2023 itself, I want to show to you all 12th October 2023 to 10th Jan 2024. Okay, I made a revenue of 12.81 crores. Okay, number of payments 3,25,000, as you can see over here. Okay, talking about 16 December 2023 to 15th March 2024, basically quarter one of this year, payment volume of around 17 crores, 16.86 crore rupees of revenue is something that we did. And guys, I'm not saying that, like you can make 16 crore rupees in 3 months, you can make 12 crore rupees in 3 months. If you're thinking that I'm asking you to make that, I'm not asking you to do that. What I'm trying to say that there is a parallel world of consultancy, there is a parallel world of running your own business that you can also do along with your job, which will yield you additional income every single month. This is a parallel world which you are not even aware about, via which we are making money, our students are making money. We'll be teaching you that as well as a part of bonus number 5, which is the Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Once we are done with this, I'll be giving you bonus number 6 again, for the first 30 participants, how to build a personal brand for yourself and get multiple job offers. Guys, once you create a personal brand for yourself, like, as I did in, for myself in LinkedIn, I got more than 23,000 followers. And, I was able to do it in a very quick, I think the number would be much higher right now, but I was able to do it in a very quick amount of time. And if you create a personal brand for yourself, you will have recruiters reach out to you. Okay, you won't have to reach out to recruiters, because in my LinkedIn, guys, I have recruiters from a few top companies who have reached out to me asking for them, asking me to, join their company as a working professional. I do not want to do that, but what I'm trying to say that if you build a personal brand for yourself, you can have recruiters like that knocking, on your LinkedIn. So I'll be teaching you that too with the help of AI. Also, I'll be teaching you how you can become a Microsoft certified expert. This bonus also worth rupees 25,000, giving it to you for completely free for the first 30 participants. So guys, in total, like, the students who have attended this masterclass over the last couple of years, they have absolutely loved it. Talking about Anirban, he got a 180% salary hike in 40 days at the age of 43 after joining the masterclass. Talking about Ankur, got 425 LPA plus job offers in just 2 months at the age of 27. Talking about Pranav, got a promotion and VP and became a VP of his company after joining the masterclass. Talking about Tanya, she was able to switch her career at the age of 36, and now she is making 16 LPA from her job right now. So all of these people have been able to achieve great results from the masterclass. We have been rated a total of 4.9 across 5,000 different reviews for the kind of work we have been doing. We have people like this who have given us great video testimonials throughout. I'll show you more about that as well. You can go over here, you can see the kind of video testimonials we have been able to get from people. Ops manager get 37% salary hike in 4 months. This masterclass is a no-brainer. Accenture database engineer 40% hike achieved through the masterclass. In fact, guys, let me show you this. Okay, let me show you this, guys. This is the B156. Basically, last month itself, this particular batch got concluded. As soon as any batch gets concluded, guys, I asked my students to give me video testimonials, and I received, guys, 311. Yes, guys, 311 such people filled a form and gave me video testimonials from my B156. Yeah, and you can see what are the kind of success stories. I had years of gap in my career. Still, because of your mastery program, I got 19 LPA as data analyst. Thank you so much. Boosted my career. I got 50% salary hike from job seeker for 2 years to data analyst jobs. Received 5 offer letters, highest being 36 LPA. Thanks a lot to Office Master. And all of these people have been able to give us video testimonials for the same as well. And I would expect, I would expect all of you, I would expect all of you, once you get results from this masterclass, I would expect video testimonials from your side as well. Okay, so these people, help them with the help of this masterclass, help them in getting high paying jobs in companies like Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta, Capgemini, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, KPMG, Deloitte, Emphasis, etc. With 100% guaranteed in-house job assistance. As I mentioned, helped more than 300 people in the last 3 months itself. So guys, at this point of time, I have given you all the details about this masterclass. Okay, giving you all the details about this masterclass, which can help you get a 40% salary hike and a high paying job for yourself, or 100% money back guaranteed. Okay. So now you might be wondering, I already see so many comments out there in the chat box. How can I register? What is the fee for this masterclass? How much is it for? Guys, the fee for this masterclass, okay, given that all the benefits, given, you know, the kind of prices which are out there in the market, the fee for this masterclass which we decided, okay, the fee for this masterclass which we have kept is rupees 1,70,840 rupees. Okay, 1,70,840 rupees. You get everything that I promised, all the 17 lifetime learnings, plus all the bonuses, all the guarantee, everything you get at a price point of rupees 1,70,840. What do you think, guys? It's a fair price, not a fair price? What do you think about the fee for the masterclass? Please share link, Aditya. Share link. Fair price, not fair. Not fair. It is a fair price, not fair. Fair. It is a lot for me. It is expensive. Fair. Come on, guys. I want inputs from each and everyone. What do you think about it? Very, very fair. Not sure. Expensive. Not fair. It's expensive. Fair, but expensive for me. Okay. Guys, if you think it is not fair, okay, I want to ask a question from you all. People who feel that it is not fair or if it is expensive. Guys, if you think it is a lot, okay, how much will you value getting a salary hike of minimum 40% before the end of 2024? Okay, how much will you value getting a salary hike of minimum 40%? Let's say you're earning 10 LPA right now. You start earning 14 LPA before the end of 2024. Do you still think 1,70,000 is a lot? Or let's say if you're earning 50 lakhs per annum, 50 LPA right now, if you get a minimum 40% salary hike, like minimum 70 LPA by the end of 2024, do you still think it is a lot? No, right? So that is the kind of value this particular masterclass gets. You need to see it in reference to what you are getting from the masterclass. Also, if you're someone who can get a high paying job of above 15 LPA, okay, at top MNCs before the end of 2024, do you still think that would be a lot? Like, let's say if you're earning 10 LPA right now, 9 LPA right now, basically whatever you're earning right now, as I mentioned, you know, this masterclass comes with a guarantee, minimum 40% salary hike or a better paying job than whatever you are earning right now. It comes with a guarantee or you get your money back. Okay. Still, do you think it is a lot? Or how much will you value money freedom and time freedom in your life? Like, let's say if you're able to do hours of your work in just 15 minutes, okay, you will be able to spend that additional time in, you know, spending with your family, in basically, basically spending time to yourself. You will be able to do that for, you know, maybe applying for better jobs, maybe do whatever with that time. Basically, having that time freedom is something very, very valuable. So, you know, that is how valuable this masterclass is. And that is why I have kept this masterclass at a fee of rupees 1,70,840. Okay, guys. But this fee, 1,70,840, guys, is something that I charge to my clients from the UK, from the US, from the UAE, from Singapore, from basically people outside India. For the people who are attending this particular workshop completely live, okay, who are attending this particular workshop completely live and who have invested their time in learning, okay, invested their time in learning everything from me, I have a special offer for you all. Can I get a 10x in the chat box if you want a very special, crazy offer from me all, from my side, you know, but again, only for the first 30 people. I want the biggest 10x in the chat box if you want an absolute crazy offer from my side for the first 30 participants. 10x, 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 100x, 10x, 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 10x. Aditya shared link. Okay, guys, for the first 30 people, the price is not going to be rupees 1,70,840. There is a limited offer for the workshop attendees. What is the limited offer? The limited offer for you all is not, the price is not going to be rupees 1,70,840. It is going to be rupees 12,200. Yes, guys, at just rupees 12,200 plus GST, you will be getting the entire masterclass with all its benefits. My team member has shared the link out there in the chat box, payment link out there in the chat box. You can go ahead and register and be a part of the masterclass. Once you have registered, type in done in the chat box so that I know that you have already registered. So guys, yes, at this price point of rupees 12,200 plus GST, you get all the 17 lifetime learnings in the masterclass, which includes basic to advanced chat GPT, basic to advanced artificial intelligence, basic to advanced prompt engineering, basic to advanced Microsoft Excel, basic to advanced Power BI, basic to advanced PowerPoint, basic to advanced structured query language masterclass. Right from basics till advanced, without having any prior knowledge, you will be getting all of it to get a minimum 40% salary hike and a high paying job than your current job, or get 100% money back guaranteed. Okay, includes all 17 lifetime learnings. Plus, you will be getting premium GPT plus subscription worth rupees 39,840 for 2 years, for basically 24 months in total, you will be getting for completely free. You will be getting the AI-enabled Microsoft Office 365 for 5 years, or basically for 60 months, worth rupees 35,000 for completely free. You will be getting the data analytics and data science using AI Mastery, worth rupees 39,000, again for completely free. You will be getting certified Python Mastery, worth rupees 12,000 for completely free. You will be getting the personal brand building masterclass, worth rupees 25,000 for completely free. You will be getting the job to business switch mastermind as well, worth rupees 20,000 for completely free. Again, only bonuses only for the first 30 registrations. So once you have registered, you can go ahead and type in a done, so that I know that you have registered and booked your seat in the masterclass. By the way, guys, I have one more special offer for y'all. Okay, one more special bonus for y'all. What do I mean by that? The special bonus is that you can register for the masterclass at a full payment of rupees 12,200, or you can go ahead with two no-cost installments of rupees 6,100 as well. Yes, guys, absolutely no cost installment, no additional fee, no additional interest. I'll be bearing that for you all. So you can go ahead and register at two no-cost installment of rupees 6,100 plus GST as well. My team member has shared the link for both the full payment and the half payment. So you can go ahead and register for any of them. You will be getting full complete access via any of the payments. Like either if you're paying full or half, you'll be getting that. Okay, guys, I already see a lot of people who have registered. I have Shaikh Salman who have registered. Shweta Dubey says she wants to go ahead with the installment. Shweta Dubey, you can go ahead with that. With the installment link, I have already shared that as well. We share QR code, guys. If you want to register via QR code, you can do that as well. Full payment link, on the top right side of your screen. Half payment link on the bottom right side of your screen. You can scan that in order to make the payment as well. Okay. So I can see a lot of people who have registered. Manshi Roy has registered. Manshi, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Shubham Sharma, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Ishita Tiwari, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Tanmay Sarkar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Rohan Sahu, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Saurabh Nirmalkar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Shreya Tomar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Ashutosh Singh, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Akhil Mashra, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Superb, guys. Superb. So far, guys, so far you all are super kick. Okay, so far we already have 11 people. Okay, 11 people who have already registered and made the payment for the masterclass. Yes, Manchi, I have already taken your name. Don't worry, guys. Congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. Sai Patel, congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. Okay. When will the classes be conducted? As I have mentioned, you will have self-paced lessons, which you can watch at your own pace. Along with that, there would be one live session, which would be conducted every single week. And, you can get all of your doubts clarified. You will be getting personal guidance in all of this. Okay. When does this masterclass start? This particular masterclass starts coming Friday itself. Yes, guys, coming Friday post working hours, like around 7:30, 8 p.m. We'll be taking an introductory call. In that introductory call, we'll be setting you off in the masterclass. We'll be giving you all the details about the masterclass. Each and every information will be provided to you in the masterclass itself. Okay, how many seats left? Guys, 14. Okay. 14 slots go over. I have 16 more slots remaining. So if you are someone who wants to register, you can go ahead and register. You have 16. Okay, 16 slots remaining only. Shubham Badola, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Okay, I see this question. I have enrolled in minor in data science and at IIT Mandi. Do I still see, that is completely up to you. If you think that the benefits of IIT Mandi, you can go ahead with that. But this particular masterclass, I've told you all the benefits about it. You can see and take that. I have paid. Yes, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass, Shweta Dubey. How much after 30 registrations? This particular batch is only for 30 people itself. I cannot take in a lot of people because I want to provide the best possible results to each and everyone. How to register? Dinesh, the payment link has already been shared in the chat box. My team member has already shared it. You can see the full payment link and the no cost installment link. You can go ahead and make the payment via any of the links which have been shared. Nitesh Reddy, congratulations, welcome. Kritesh Kapadia, congratulations, welcome. Guys, I'm not being able to take everyone's name. Don't worry about it. If you have registered for the masterclass, you would have already gotten a confirmation from my team over email and over WhatsApp as well. If you have not gotten it, wait for a couple of minutes. You will be getting that as well. I have paid and enrolled. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Bijoy Verma. Paid half. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Mihir Monti. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Heba Kosur. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Sai S. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Course duration, as I mentioned, you will be getting complete lifetime access to the course. If you're talking about duration in specific, 40 minutes a day for 14 days you need to spend in order to do the masterclass, and 20 days of implementation. So in general, our students complete it in around 2 months. Okay. Registered with half payment. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Full payment done. Congratulations, Pankaj Thakur. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Guys, I'm not being able to take everyone's name. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it. If I have to tell you the exact number now I have 19 people, guys. 19 people who have registered and welcome to the masterclass. Ayushi Yadav, yes, Ayushi Yadav, Madhusan Raju. Don't worry, you all have successfully registered. Welcome to the masterclass. Don't worry about it. I'm not able to take everyone's name. How many live classes will happen? 52 weeks of live session. Along with that, you will be getting the Job to Business Switch Mastermind, which is a 4-day live event in which we'll be revealing all the secrets on how you can start your successful profitable business of your own. Will you help in resume and interview? Guys, I would help it. In fact, I was just going to be revealing that, but since you have asked, okay, revealing it for you all. Guys, I'll be helping you for the first 30 people. Okay, I'll also be sharing you the complete interview and resume cracking masterclass as well. Okay, you will be getting the complete interview and resume cracking masterclass to help you get your dream job. Okay, to help you get your dream job with a 20 LPA plus salary. Okay, with a 20 LPA plus salary in top MNCs of worth rupees 17,500 for free. Okay, so you will be getting all of that in this particular masterclass. So complete interview and resume cracking masterclass, which will help you crack interviews of companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Intel, Adobe, Goldman Sachs, Meta, and resumes, resume building for Fortune 500 companies like KPMG, Meta, Adobe, etc. You'll be learning all of this in this particular masterclass itself. Will I get a GST rebate? Yes, you can get a GST rebate from us. Just provide us with your GST number and we'll be sharing you with a GST invoice. Okay, so via that you can get the GST rebate as well. What will be the EMI amount? As I mentioned, 6,100 is the no cost installment amount. You can go ahead and register using that particular amount as well. Okay. Will there be any interest fee? There won't be any interest fee. I'm providing you with a no cost installment. Will family members also get certificates? Absolutely. You, along with 8 more members, will be getting all the benefits of the masterclass. You, along with 7 more members, 8 members in total. How to change amount and choose EMI option? There are 2 links which my team member has shared. You can choose the second link. Okay, you can use the second link. I have paid. Congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. INR 7198 paid. Congratulations. That is 6,100 plus GST, guys. That is something that GST is something that we need to pay to the government. But if you have a GST number, we can provide you with a GST rebate as well. Okay, done. Job assistance, yes, as I mentioned, you will be getting 100% guaranteed in-house job assistance as well. Okay, you will be getting that as a part of the masterclass itself. Okay. Okay, you'll be getting. Yes, you'll be getting that as well. Paid, congratulations and welcome to them. Paid in full, congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. Vrinda SN, congratulations. Anita, yes, you are a part. Whoever has registered so far, okay, right now I have 23 slots gone. Okay, 23 slots gone. Last 7 slots remaining. So whoever has registered so far, you are already a part of first 30 itself. Okay, you already are a part of first 30. Okay, so you already are a part of it. Okay, guys, now you have 2 choices with yourself. You have 2 choices with yourself. You can either, decide to take no action about it. Let luck decide the path of your career. Okay, you can be like, I don't need to learn these skills and I don't want to learn anything like this because I'm good in whatever I'm doing. Guys, tell me honestly, after you got in your first job, okay, after you got in your first job, have you ever paid, have you ever basically invested your time in learning? Have you learned any new skills after you got in your first job? Have you ever done that? Tell me honestly. Honestly, Batana, have you ever done that? No, 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 never. Really, no. No, no, no. Guys, I know it. Like, most working professionals, especially in India, they never upskill themselves after they get their first job. And that is why they have to stick. They have to stick to, that common 10% salary hike, 8% salary hike. And guys, if you are getting 10% salary hike, let me tell you something, the cost inflation rate in India is in itself is 8%. Okay. So you're spending 8% more, you are getting 10% more. So in total, you are just earning 2% more every single year, which will not generate you any sort of real money for yourself, real wealth for yourself. Okay. So you need to get out of that mindset. You need to learn the skills of the future so as to be able to target 40% salary hikes in your career. That is possible, but with the help of learning, with the help of upskilling. Upskill in your career, upskill in your learnings, and you will be able to achieve those sort of 40% salary hikes as well. That is very much possible. Okay. So this is the first choice that you have, or the second choice that you have, that you take things in your control, upskill yourself, learn a new things, and decide how you want your career growth to look like, and not let luck decide it. Take things in your control, take learnings in your control, and you will be able to grow exponentially in your career. That is possible once you take things in your control. Okay. That is what this masterclass is all about. Okay. So in this masterclass, guys, you won't be learning just one skill. Okay. You will be learning 5 different skills. Along with it, you will be learning Python as well, 6 different skills. All of these are very, very high paying skills. Okay. You will be learning these 6 high paying skills that can easily, even just one such skill can get you a 18 LPA plus job in India without even having a fancy degree. Imagine having 6 such skills would do. Okay. Talking about prompt engineers, geeks for geeks, you can see 2 crore salaries. Okay. In India, expect 17 LPA, 18 LPA sort of salaries. In US, you can in fact expect these sort of salaries as well. Talking about Power BI developers, you can see Power BI developers 20 to 25 LPA salary just as a Power BI developer, not talking about any other skill as such. Talking about SQL developers, Capgemini is offering SQL developers 20 to 44 LPA salary of a SQL developer. That is also something that you'll be learning inside the masterclass. All of these skills you'll be learning in the masterclass. All of these skills capable of giving you jobs which are much higher than 18 LPA, just a single once itself. Done paid installment. Congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. I have received the payment confirmation email. Congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. My email is saying payment has gotten failed. If that is the case, just check. That shouldn't be the case. You would have gotten a confirmation over email or WhatsApp. If by any chance it is still showing failed, then you will get that money back in your account. Okay, you will get that money back in your account. So you can go ahead and make another registration. By any chance, you get that money back, you can make another registration so as to secure your seat among the first 30. By any chance, if you would have paid twice, our team will check that and automatically refund you. Don't worry about it. We won't accept double payments from you. So by any chance you would have paid double, so we will refund you if the one has not been refunded automatically. Have registered for the masterclass? Congratulations. Welcome for it. Sir, I have paid through QR. Don't worry about it. Super. If you have paid through QR as well, I have showed the QR code for you guys itself to make it easier for you. Done, says Priyashi. Congratulations. Okay. So guys, I have a person named Priyashi Sharma over here, and I want to show something to you all, like that will completely blow your mind. I also did not know she is attending. Okay, let me show it to you all. Okay, let me just try. Let me see how I can show it to you all. Okay, let me open a new docs file. Okay, a Google Doc file. I'll take a screenshot of it, guys. I'll take a screenshot of it and show it to all of you. Let me take a screenshot of it and show it to all of you. Okay, guys, I have taken a screenshot, pasting it over here. Guys, just look over here. I have a person named Priyashi Sharma with me over here. Okay, Priyashi Sharma with me over here. I'll take more screenshot. Okay, so this is what she just sent over here on the chat box. Hi, sirs. I'm your earlier masterclass member, June 2023. I was working with low package earlier, but after joining your class, I learned a few skills, Excel and SQL, not even completed the full course. Meanwhile, I got 4 job offers and was able to get a 167%. Okay, 167% salary hike within 1.5 months. Okay. My previous package was 14.5 lakhs per annum, but now my package is 38.8 lakhs per annum. Very, very big thank you to you. I'm again joining to get the AI course, as it was not there when I had joined. So guys, this is Priyashi Sharma for you, who was able to get a 167% salary hike with the help of this masterclass itself. Okay, she was able to do that, and by the way, guys, whoever is registering for my masterclass, you get all my future workshops for completely free. So Priyashi, being a part of my masterclass member, she joined today in this particular workshop, learned everything, and she is joining again in order to get the AI course and get further salary hike in her career. That is how she is going about things. Done, says Dinesh Duhan. Congratulations, welcome to the masterclass. Wait, guys. Okay, number of slots you're asking. I'm telling you, number of slots, guys. I have 27. Okay, 27 slots gone already, guys. Okay, 27 slots gone. Last 3 slots remaining. If you are someone who wants to register, go ahead and register. Last 3 slots remaining. Payment link not working for you, I'll ask my team member to go ahead and share an alternative payment link. If the previous one, by any chance, it is not working for you, I have asked my team member to share an alternative payment link. You can use that in order to make the payment. Paid installment, congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. If you want to pay via QR, you can go ahead and use this particular QR code in order to make the payment as well. Yes, you can do that. I'm a sales professional. Will this masterclass help me? Guys, let's see. Let's see whether for sales professional, it would help you. Okay, I'll go and search for sales. Once I go and search for sales, I am getting 6 such people. Okay, I'm getting a person named Vamsi Chinna. I'm showing you this particular Google sheet. Vamsi Chinna was able to transition his career from sales to data science, got salary hike and much better work environment after joining the masterclass. Okay, let's see. Vamsi Chinna, he must have given his video testimonial as well over here. Okay, so he has given his video testimonial as well, Vamsi Chinna, who was able to, transition career from sales to data science. Guys, imagine transitioning career from sales to data science. What better work environment he would be enjoying right now. I'm a fresher with, guys, of course, I've already told it, but let me show you more examples for it as well. As a fresher, see VPS Shankara, she was able to, as a fresher, I got a data analyst job after course. Thank you so much. Okay, VPS Shankara was also able to, do that with the help of this masterclass. As you can see, then, I have Omkar Jadhav as well, who was able to start his career at the age as fresher at 16 LPA. Never believed that non-tier 1 student can get this much. Yes, guys, even non-tier 1 students can get this much with the help of this masterclass. That's the beauty of this masterclass. Will career gap? Yes, guys, I have already told it, but I'm showing it to you also. Career gap, people, you can see career gap. I have Priyanka, who says that I had 7 years of career gap. Okay, 7 years of career gap, but this program helped me to land up a job once again, and that too with a 15 LPA salary. Okay, guys, Priyanka was able to do it with a 15 LPA salary after 7 years of career gap. Like she had, basically she went through marriage, like she then had pregnancy. She was pregnant as well, and that is why after 7 years of career gap, she was able to get a 15 LPA salary with the help of this particular masterclass. Will it help in for? Yes, guys, foreign also. There was one student. Where did he go? I think he went to US. Let me see if US I have his. Yes, D Prasanna. Guys, look over here. D Prasanna joined as a Power BI developer in Exxon Mobil USA. Okay, he was working in India. He went to Exxon Mobil USA. He was able to join Exxon Mobil USA as a Power BI developer. Got paid 4 times than his previous job offer. Grateful to Office Master for the amazing support. Okay, so D Prasanna was able to get a 4 times, better job offer than his previous one. Exxon Mobil USA, that is where he is working right now with the help of this particular masterclass. So guys, I already told you these things, showed you results as well. These are the kind of results people are getting with the masterclass. For designers, I am seeing so many such questions out there in the chat box. For designer, how it will help. For marketing, guys, let me tell you something. Irrespective of your background, irrespective of your profession, irrespective of your age, you could be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s as well. Irrespective of your profession, HR, marketing, data, IT, sales, whatever it is, whatever you can think of, this particular masterclass will be helpful for each and everyone present over here. Okay, irrespective of your background, of your profession, and your age as well. As I told you, I come up with a guarantee. Once you learn and implement in the masterclass, you get a minimum 40% salary hike in your current job with an upgraded designation or a promotion, or you get, basically you get a higher paying job than your current job, or you get complete 100% money back from us. I did not receive email or WhatsApp after payment. Don't worry about it. Just wait for a few minutes. Our team will be sharing it. Okay, don't worry about it. Our team will be sharing it. So might be some automation has failed, so you will be getting it. Don't worry about it at all. Okay, within our next few minutes itself. In fact, by tomorrow, all of you, whoever has registered for the masterclass, so far we have 28 people. Okay, all 28 of you will be, getting added to a separate WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, you will be getting all details about the masterclass. Can I pay via QR also? Yes, QR, you can see right in front of you. You can go ahead and make the payment via QR code as well. When we get the software and licenses, as I mentioned, Friday we'll be conducting the introductory call. In the introductory call, I'll be sharing all the bonuses, all the benefits with all of you, completely. All of it, yes. Okay, so repeating it again for you, you will be getting all of the 17 lifetime learnings plus all the bonuses in this masterclass, which is worth more than rupees 1,70,840. You get it at just rupees 12,200 or two no cost installment of rupees 6,100. And I have just one more slot. I have one more person who is registered. Just last one slot, guys, remaining. One slot remaining. Whoever wants to register, now is the time for you. Last one slot remaining. You can go ahead and register, at this, limited offer workshop for all workshop attendees, which is rupees 12,200 or two no cost installment of rupees 6,100. Last one slot, guys. Who wants to register? Go ahead, be the quickest one out there and be part of the first 30. Guys, by the way, I know that almost all of you are working professionals over here. Okay, being working professionals, it would be very exciting to, to. By the way, guys, how many of you here invest in the stock market? Like invest in mutual funds, invest in stock market, trade in stock market. Being in a working professional, I know a lot of you would be doing that. A lot of you would be aspiring to do that as well. Who all wants to aspire? Type in want. Who all is already doing that? Type in I do. Want, I do, I do, I want, I do, want, I do, want. Okay, guys, what if I tell you that along with this masterclass, for the first 30 people, I am adding one more bonus. Okay, I am adding one more bonus. What is this bonus? This is the all paid 3-day live financial freedom accelerator. Okay, the all paid 3-day live financial freedom accelerator program to help you learn stock market trading and stock market investing. Basically, everything on how you can manage your finances better. Basically, you'll be learning about credit cards, about mutual funds, about stock market investing, stock market trading, not from me also. Okay, I'll be there, but along with me, there would be a person, okay, who has worked in a hedge fund earlier and managed hundreds of crores of wealth as a hedge fund manager. What if he teaches you? Okay, what if he teaches you all of this in a 3-day live event? Do my master, do all the 29 people who have registered and anyone who wants to register, do you want this also for completely free along with the masterclass? All paid 3-day financial freedom accelerator, via which you'll be learning how you can manage your finances better, about credit cards, about mutual funds, about stock market investing, trading, etc. Basically, each and everything to help you manage your finances, grow your finances better. Yes. That would be awesome, Aditya. This would be really awesome. I want. Okay, guys. Okay. So, guys, I'm adding this as well, the all paid 3-day financial freedom accelerator program as well. With this, what all you'll be getting in this program, you will be getting the Chat GPT and AI mastery worth rupees 12,000. You will be getting the prompt engineering mastery worth rupees 15,000. You'll be getting the basic to advanced mastery worth rupees 8,000. You'll be getting the basic to advanced Power BI program worth rupees 15,000. Basic to advanced PowerPoint program worth rupees 5,000. The basic to advanced structured query language program worth rupees 8,000. Premium GPT Plus subscription connected to the internet for 2 years or 24 months worth rupees 39,840. AI-enabled Microsoft Office 365 worth rupees 35,000. Data analytics and data science using AI mastery worth rupees 39,000. Certified Python masterclass worth rupees 12,000. Personal brand building masterclass worth rupees 25,000. The Job to Business Switch mastermind worth rupees 20,000. Interview and resume cracking masterclass worth rupees 17,500. And the Financial Freedom Accelerator mastermind all-day 3-day live event worth rupees 20,000. And the 52 weeks of mentorship as well, which is completely priceless. You will be getting all of this, which is worth more than rupees 2,71,340. I do not want to charge you that. I want to charge my workshop attendees only and only rupees 12,200 or rupees 6,100, two no cost installment of rupees 6,100, where you can pay the first no cost installment right now, and the second no cost installment you can pay within the next 7 days. Okay, within the next 7 days, whenever you have the time, whenever you have the money, you can go ahead and pay that. Can I pay in more installments? Okay, guys, I'm getting this. Can I pay this in more installments? I got a couple of comments like this earlier also. Guys, if you want to pay this in more installments, okay, is there anyone who wants more than 2 no-cost installments? Anyone who wants more than 2 no-cost installments? Me. 3 no-cost. Me. 4. Guys, if you want more, installments, how you can go about doing that? I'll just show you that. Okay, simply go to the full payment link. Okay, simply go to the full payment link. Once you go to the full payment link, okay, just a second. I'll show it to you. Just give me a second. I think for some reason, the full payment link one is not showing well. So in my system, so I'm showing it to you in your half payment link. Once you go to that particular payment link, okay, once you go to that particular payment link, okay, you need to fill in your details. Okay, just fill in your details. Okay, once you fill in your details, fill in your correct details. Okay, your name, your email ID. Okay, just fill in your correct details over here. Once you do that, type in your phone number which is connected to your bank account. Okay, type in your phone number which is connected to bank account. How can I avail GST input? Once you register, tomorrow you'll be added to a separate WhatsApp group where you will get a GST form. Just fill that GST form and we'll be sharing you a GST invoice via which you can get the GST input as well. Okay, enter your bank registered mobile number over here. Once you do that, click on pay. Okay, once you do that, click on pay. Once you do that, once you click on pay, you will get an EMI option. Guys, can you all see this EMI option over here? Guys, can all of you see this EMI option over here? Yes. I'm a business owner. How this masterclass will help me? It will help you. It will help your employees streamline things. Basically, I told you what are the things that we'll be learning. We'll be learning about Excel, Power BI, SQL, etc. Everything. With the help of Power BI, you can represent your company's data in form of dashboards. With the help of Excel, you can streamline a lot of things in your company. You can structureize things. With the help of SQL, you can manage your company's data very, very well. With the help of AI, you can do everything that you do in your company in a much, much faster, better manner. Basically, with every, you can do all of this. Okay, so you see this no cost installment option, just simply click over here. Once you click on this no cost installment option, you will see this credit card sector option. Just click on this credit card option. Once you do that, you will see, let's say if you click on HDFC Bank, you will see, let's say if you go for 3 months, I'll try to waive off these interest rates also. But, right now for 3 months, it has already done. I'm requesting Razorpay to waive off these particular interest fee. So I'll give you a refund if you're being charged this sort of interest fee. I'll give you all the refund for them. Okay. So 2,399 into 3, basically if you're paying half, so you can go ahead with no cost installment for that. ICICI Bank also offers you no cost. So all of these banks are offering you no cost, EMI options for 3 months, for 6 months, for 9 months, for 12 months, for 18 months, for 24 months, and at very, very low interest fee. Some of them have zero interest fee also. Some of them have very low interest fee. So you can use any of the interest fee which is best for you. And, you can go ahead and do that. Basically, the point is, guys, if you really want to make an impact in your career, money should not be a factor. You can use all of these EMI features and everything to just pay as low as just 352 rupees every single month and be able to register for the masterclass. Okay, so that is possible. So you can go ahead and do that. But instead of credit card, let's say if you do not have a credit card, you can use a debit card also, but only IndusInd Bank offers that. Or you can use this cardless and other EMI features. So you can use 5 or you can use one card as well in order to register your seat. Using the EMI option for the masterclass. So that is also something that you can do with the masterclass. Okay. Done. Paid first installment. Congratulations. With that, guys, we have first 30 slots over for the masterclass. Super congratulations and welcome to all the first 30 people. Welcome to all of you. Okay, welcome to all of you. I am welcoming each and every one of you, all 30 of you. Welcome to the masterclass. You'll be getting all the bonuses, including the financial freedom accelerator as well. Okay, I'm getting a message from Varun Jan. I'm just paying. Please accommodate. My payment link got failed. Payment got failed. Guys, I'm seeing a couple of messages like payment got failed and I'm just paying. Please accommodate. let me do something. What I'll do, I'll extend 10 more slots. Okay, I'll extend 10 more slots. For you all who have not been able to pay so far, or who have faced payment difficulties, I'm extending 10 more slots. And what I'll do, I'll request my team members to reach out to you. Okay, so my team members were already reaching out to you for the notes, guys. So whoever has, I'll request all of my team members for the notes of this particular session, which contains detailed notes of this particular workshop containing all the links, all the data sets. I'll be sharing you notes for the session as promised. So I'll be requesting my team members to reach out to you all with the notes of the session. Along with the notes of the session, if you need any help, in registering for the mastery program, if you want to get any of your doubts clarified as well, you can get that from clarified from our team members. Does that sound good? Does that sound good to each and everyone? Is it 6,100 plus GST? Yes. And GST is something that you can get back if since you have a GST number. Okay. So my team member, repeating it again, my team members will reach out to you with the notes for the session. You will be getting detailed notes for this particular workshop. And if you need any help, if you want to get your doubts clarified, if you need any help in registering for the masterclass, my team members will be helping you with that as well. Payment issue, you can try the alternative payment link as well. Okay. Gondesi Satyanarayanan Reddy, you can try the alternative payment link as well in order to make the payment. Okay, my team member has shared the alternative payment link also. Can I still register in? Yes, as I mentioned, I just extended 10 more slots. You can go ahead and register. My team members will also reach out to you all with the notes for the. So if you want to register now, you can go ahead and register using the link. Okay, guys. Okay, now talking about the certificates and bonuses for the session. So guys, today in this particular workshop, we attended the workshop today, correct? Today, you will also be getting the bonuses on the WhatsApp group and in this particular Zoom chat window as well. Okay, my team member will be sharing you the bonuses that you will be getting for completely free along with this particular workshop. Like, the bonuses that you get for completely free. My team member will be sharing it in the Zoom chat, and also we'll be sharing it in the WhatsApp group as well today itself. Is it clear to each and everyone about the bonuses? Yes? Clear? How will I get the notes? It's through mail or WhatsApp. My team members will reach out to you. They will call you. Okay. Team members will call you. They will assist you and they will share the notes of the session with you. Okay. So today we attended the workshop. Today we got the bonuses as well, Zoom chat and in WhatsApp group. Tomorrow you will be getting a Google form link on your WhatsApp group. Okay. A Google form link on your WhatsApp group. Once you fill in the Google form, your certificate, that is the certificate form. We will be preparing your certificates. Once you fill in the Google form, we'll be preparing your certificates and we'll be taking 24 hours for that. Okay, we'll be preparing your certificates. We'll take 24 hours for that. And then day after tomorrow, after 24 hours, we'll be giving you your certificates on the WhatsApp group itself. Guys, is it clear to each and everyone about the bonuses and the certificates as well? Registered, congratulations, welcome to the masterclass. Okay, bonuses today you have gotten, tomorrow fill in the certificate form, day after tomorrow, 24 hours, you will be getting the certificate on the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, talking about the templates, while you had registered for this particular workshop, you would have gotten a one-time offer, right? A one-time offer bundle that if you paid this additional, I think around 380 rupees or 400 rupees, you will be getting certain additional templates, etc. So guys, we'll be providing that additional one-time offer bundle. If you had purchased, who all had purchased that? Who all had purchased that one-time offer while registering for this particular workshop? Me, myself. How do I pay with debit card through EMI? That is only possible with IndusInd Bank. That is not possible actually. So you can try one card or FIDE like the other EMI methods which I showed. Otherwise, it is only possible with credit card. I have purchased. Congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. Okay, so whoever have registered for this one-time bundle, you will be getting it in your personal WhatsApp. Okay, not on WhatsApp group. You will be getting it in your personal WhatsApp. Clear to each and everyone? That you will be getting this one-time offer bundle that you additionally paid for, not on WhatsApp group, but on WhatsApp, on your personal WhatsApp. Clear? Clear? Can I register for it now? No, you cannot pay for this one-time offer now. This was a one-time offer itself, which you had at the time of registration. Similarly, you have this one-time offer of registering for the masterclass now. You you won't have it after the first 40 slots are gone. So 32 slots are gone. 8 more slots remaining. Our team members will reach out to you. They'll be helping you in the registration process. If you need that, and if your payment was failing for all of that, my team members will reach out and help you out in the process for that. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Now talking about, guys, wealth migration. Like, guys, irrespective of whether you are registering in the session, whether you're not registering in the session, wealth all for the masterclass, I want to share this piece of advice to you all. Okay, guys, wealth always migrates. Okay, wealth always migrates from deniers of technology to deployers of technology. Okay, wealth always be someone who is a deployer of technology, never be someone who is a denier ki AI मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता, मुझे Excel नहीं use करना, I don't want to use Power BI. Never be a denier of technology. Always be a deployer of technology, because if you are a deployer of technology, wealth will migrate towards you. Okay, that is bound to happen. And for that, guys, I have one amazing video by one of my favorite journalists, Palki Upadhyay. One very, very great video she has made. I wanted to share it. I found this video some time back, and I wanted to share it with you all. If possible, like, it will take just 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll wrap up with the session. Can I share this video with you all? Can I show this video to you all? If I have permission from you all? Yes, yes, please show. Okay, wait. Okay, done. So let me play it. Guys, tell me whether you can hear her.
With every AI leap comes the same question.
Can you hear her? Audible? Yes?
Will it take over our jobs? This time, the chief of the International Monetary Fund has weighed in, and she says, yes, AI will affect the job market. In fact, she painted a more worrying picture. The IMF chief said AI will hit the job market like a tsunami. Interesting choice of words. A tsunami destroys everything. It wipes out buildings and people. Is that what AI will do to the job market? Well, the IMF chief had some numbers. In the next 2 years, AI could affect 60% jobs in the developed world and overall 40% worldwide. Now, these numbers are worrying, not just because of how high they are, but also because of the time frame, 2 years. It's hardly any time in the job market. So we need to prepare fast. Listen to what the IMF chief has said. I'm quoting, "We have very little time to get people and businesses ready for it. AI can boost how much we produce and make things more efficient, but it also might increase false information and make income gaps wider." That's what she said. There are 3 points or takeaways from this. First of all, it's not all bad. The IMF says 60% jobs will be affected, but affected does not mean replaced. In half of these cases, AI will improve your productivity. It will make your job easier. And not to mention, create new jobs. The AI revolution will generate over 97 million new jobs, which brings us to the second takeaway. Yes, some jobs will be lost. Goldman Sachs made a prediction last year. They think that AI will replace 300 million full-time jobs. You can guess some of them, like coding. Top AI models can write complicated codes. They're also much faster than humans. Another example is customer service, like call centers or chat support. The new AI models can hold a conversation, so they can definitely troubleshoot your problems. Again, much faster than humans. The CEO of TCS has a dire warning. He says AI could kill Indian call centers in a year. Same with tutors. ChatGPT released a demo yesterday. It showed the AI model teaching mathematics. You can ask questions, you can draw diagrams and figures, even make question papers. A lot of teachers already use ChatGPT. A professor in Virginia actively encourages her students to do that. She says ChatGPT can be a persona, a debate partner for some, a job recruiter for others. So right now, AI is making teachers more productive, but how long before it takes over the job or diminishes it? And that's the third point. AI could increase inequality. Let me explain how. Consider the coding example. Before AI, you needed humans to write the whole thing. But now ChatGPT can do it. You just need the human to verify it. You see the problem here? Coding pays a lot of money, but verifying does not. So AI could drastically reduce wages in some jobs. It can eventually widen the wage gap. And this applies even to countries. Wealthier countries will adapt to AI more quickly. They will have more money. They do have more money, so they can invest a lot more in AI. But poorer countries cannot do that. And this may lead to a technology and wage gap. So to recap, there are three factors at play. Some new jobs being created, a lot of jobs being lost, and a new trigger for financial inequality. Broadly, this is how artificial intelligence will affect the job market. The question is, how can you prepare for it? Well, time is of the essence. AI is moving much faster than expected. So if you're already in the job market, your brief is quite simple. Start using AI tools. Find some way to integrate it. Use it to gain an edge over your peers. But what if you're not in the workforce yet? Then put your thinking cap on. We said that AI will create 97 million new jobs. Find out what they are. The World Economic Forum has listed a few examples like AI trainers, people who make and design these models, or data curators, people who gather data to train these models, or ethics officers, people who act as a moral compass for AI models, or even AI content creators, people who explain how everything works. These are all new and emerging jobs. The key is to find and prepare for them. And like I said, do it fast. ChatGPT came out in late 2022. We thought that was revolutionary. But in less than 2 years, it has gone further ahead. They can identify items in your surroundings, do your shopping for you, conduct interviews for you, even tutor your children. So imagine what the next generation will be like. I guess the IMF chief's assessment is quite accurate. AI is like a tsunami heading for the job market. We've got the warning. We can see the big waves. It's now time to prepare for it.
Guys, how many of you found this video to be completely very beautiful, very, very accurate to the point, AI coming as a tsunami for the job market, and how you can tackle it and basically grow for yourself. Very relevant. Yes, absolutely relevant. Awesome. Amazing video. That is why, I just wanted to show it to you all. Okay. So guys, summarizing everything, you get this entire list of things in this masterclass, which can help you get a 40% salary hike or a high paying job or a 100% money back guaranteed. You can pay, by paying the full amount of 12,200 or to no cost installment of 6,100. First one right now, the second one within the next 7 days. Okay. Or you can scan to make the payment as well. That's it, guys. Talking about the next step for action takers, people who have made the payment, you would have gotten an email for successful payment. Okay. I saw a couple of messages, people mentioning ki, they paid. By any chance you gotten a failed payment thing, might be that you have already gotten a refund or you will be getting a refund, automatically from Razorpay. If that is the case, you can go ahead and make another payment. If by any chance there is double payment that you have received, you will automatically be refunded it. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. So check your email for successful payment. If you have not gotten it yet, you will be getting it within the next couple of hours. You will be getting it by tomorrow. You all will be added to a separate WhatsApp group where we'll be, in this WhatsApp group, we'll be sharing all the information about the masterclass with you all. Okay. Learn, apply, and get certified, and be the 10x version of yourself in the next 60 days. Irrespective of, irrespective of that, you get complete lifetime access to the program. Okay. So guys, how did you all like the workshop? How did you all like the workshop on a scale of 1 to 10? What do you think? How did you like the workshop? 10, 10, 10 out of 10, 11, 10, 10, 10, 11, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Very useful. Okay, guys, perfect. Guys, if you all like the workshop, it would mean the world to us. It would absolutely mean the world to us if you can go ahead and, provide us feedback for the same. So my team member has shared a couple of feedback links. Please go ahead and, share feedback. You can use the same feedback for both the links, but I'll request you, if you can just take 2 minutes of your time and do that, it would really mean the world to us. We are a completely bootstrapped company, and, your feedbacks is something that really, really matters to us. So please, requesting you all. So if you can go to one link, just write a feedback, copy paste to the other one as well. I'll just wait for a couple of minutes. If you can go ahead and do that, the feedback. Once you're done, please type in done so that I know that you're done with the feedback. Awesome. Looking forward for masterclass and little excited. Super. Done with feedback. Thank you so much, Prashant. Done. Done. Done with feedback. Done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Done. 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 Payment link. Aman is asking for payment link. I'm asking my team member to share it once again, the payment link. So you can, Aman Vora, you can use that. Done with feedback. Done. Done. Super, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. People who have not been able to do it. Now, if you can take out some time, it will really, really be very helpful to us. Thank you for such an amazing workshop, buddy. Thank you so much, Pavitra. That's it, guys. Thank you all for attending. Hope you all learned a lot in the session. In this 99 rupees workshop, if you can, the kind of value we delivered, I hope you got the kind of value that we wanted to give. Saved you 3 hours of your time every single week by just spending 3 hours today. That is the kind of value that we wanted to deliver in the workshop. I will be delivering even further more value in the masterclass. So see you all in the basic to advanced masterclass, the Chat GPT, AI, MS Excel, Power BI, SQL, PowerPoint, interview resume and communication masterclass for 10x faster learning, earning, and career growth. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for attending. That's it. Bye bye. That's it. Bye bye. A bonus. Okay, I have showed it to you. I'll show it once again. Bonus for the workshop. You have got it. You'll be getting it today in the WhatsApp group. Certificate tomorrow. Fill it up. Day after tomorrow, you'll be getting it. Additional bonus templates if you have paid for it. You'll be getting it in your personal WhatsApp. Okay. चलो ओके गाइस डन ठीक है चलो बाय बाय ओके गाइस बाय बाय ओके Auchitya J says I have paid congratulations and welcome to the masterclass. Okay guys done chalo bye bye bye. Yes, my team members will contact you for the notes and they'll assist you if you need any guidance, if your payment was getting failed, if you need any assistance in making the payment, so they or any clarification as such, my team members will be assisting you with that as well. Okay chalo okay bye 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 bye. Masterclass starts coming Friday. You will be getting everything coming Friday. ठीक है चल बाय बाय ओके गाइस बाय बाय you